If even though broadcast hangout 特別冇人會看到，我可能 invite 我自己一人呢。So because 我俾個人去 Pride 48嘛。Achan, maybe next time no money 咯。哦，喂，Achan 我去新加坡啊，我去新加坡我一名人啦特別，所以我就去見面，嗰度見面啫。你使嚟 food court 去吹我，我要去 food court 食嘢。OK，毛毛菇嘅烘，我冚毛毛菇嘅一聲啥點？
啊，有烘嘅？
你唔係啦，你做咩事咪去 hang out？嚇？
你答，OK，你考我幾擺？
哦 ，OK，我 invite 你個禮拜。我係使學你嘅 link，你對到 computer 上面毛毛菇？
冇 iPhone。
我對 iPhone 嚇。
嗰個影嗎？
我 message 你依個 link 到啲 WhatsApp 會 OK 啊？
我知啊，我揸出 iPhone
哈哈，
我聽下咩做？
誒，喂 L 得咯，喂 L，我冇 B， G 個 T 呢
？G 個 T 呢？
嚇
？G 個
我冇 B， 吹冇 B。
你冇感覺有少人出嚟講嘅其實變。
對。係你較khó identify because
Yeah, because they may be more towards a certain gender.
我會使講我是 BT。
OK BT OK good yes BT yeah L 我俾 L 那時講你是 BT 嚟講when you on swing on the other side 時咪是變做 L
是啊。
OK 等我看阿你
出去多 Skype 嘛？
嚇？
出去多 Skype
阿蕉
哦 ，OK，
這是阿蕉哦。
聽過誒。
都有我要寄到啲之類位 for 名咩下一間這店，等下這店我找這店，我要寄伊個 link 佢。哦，就是講要從英文啊，日本件。咁啊，毛毛菇講。OK，咱8點半個 start 啦，Malaysian time。
阿摩魯啲大陸，阿摩魯啲新西蘭。
哦，對啲 New Zealand，佢9點，早起唔是9點1點半。
2點半。
1點半。
1點半，對，講唔對。
你點上加澳洲是冇？還是？
唔是，我較早。
比如較7點鐘較早。
我們較早過澳洲9點鐘。
5點鐘。
對，我較晚，較晚。
較晚。
伊人當今11點啊。
阿珍你冇困，阿珍佢咩請啊？阿珍就幾個聽，阿咪個聽。好了。到底你人那是 guest 那是你唔知講 about the chat room 嚇，都去 pride48.com 會click on chat room 你看到下邊有阿珍到下邊，阿毛到下邊，我本到下邊。特別我 relay message 嗰陣時講落咪去，阿毛係咩事？
你會使互人看我人嘅面啊無？
你 open 咩？
แล้ว
ทะเล
ฮะ
Pride
冇
48
伊講 audio 爾，伊講
audio เนี่ย就是 audio
嚇，
เนี่ย
咱家己爾，
到啲 Pride 48 audio 特別when 我放特別邊啲學見嘅時，我係 YouTube 個有。
OK 我就ทำ會啦。
做咩事咧？
因為我哋困啊，我哋變成內面啊，我唔係好啦，隔了人全世界睇到我哋困嚟啊！
你阿妹我看啊 ，OK， 聽了都幾困。哦，你講聽了都幾困 ，OK。再講 sexy 嘛？哎呦，阿冇啊，唔講 sexy。OK，嗱，咪實啦，你冇蘑菇隻頭冇對嚟去啊，冇蘑菇。
誒，有啊，呢度啊，你 Google 嘅 chat。
Google 嚟 check。
伊 baru message kami di Penang Hokkien嘅 podcast supaya di Google Plus 嘅
我幾看。
page。
啊，啲冇嘢 link 嘅哦。
我記係啊嘛。
But 如果係 on iPhone 嘛，just now，or maybe they are still on iPhone。
哦，伊無用電腦嘅啊，我想講伊有啲厝咧，伊無用電腦啊。
唔知。
我冇看到伊 chat 喎，到底得嚟，到底得只 post 嘅。
The Google Plus 嘅。
Google Plus 得只 post。
我啲都錄啲Penang啊。
Yeah。
錄到一個。
Now near airport 嚟，Sungai Ara。
哦。
啊，你咪是講我係背咯。
啊，對啊。
係啦。
對。But unfortunately, maybe during the time long is the dinner is the time I might be occupied already.
Occupied with
occupied 啦，都做咩？
很難。
Oh, 我啦，我要 start my business 啦，so that time maybe 我。
咁你咩隻 dinner 冇未啊
？I'm in。
來啊！
是人面來啊！
我係 L 嚟啊！
聽到話。
OK，所以
我聽下 echo。
了，冇Google。
冇啊，冇聽到 echo。啊，有。
係咪啊？
當機冇。我諗條 share 數下 share 啊，或者你去八十萬咪是俾你 splitter 啦，你咪是一點過去聽啊。
我 actually 好，我未記起啊，細哦，我 actually 記啊，細哦。哈！特別我朋友冇嚟過，所以實講點樣講新加嘢嚟。
你朋友嚟咩叫嚟 join 啦？朋友 L 啊。
我係卡 B，我係卡 B。啊。
OK，等 start 啦嚇。OK，俾陣話 start 啦，tunggu。
啊！
誒，我冇估過冇去。
係各位聽眾，歡迎你哋嚟到本嚟學見嘅節目嘅錄音。特別見啦，即係個現調，到底咧現調到啲 Bright48 嘅 Bright48.com， 就係到啲 Bright48.com 嘅人聽人喺，讓會使過去 Bright48.com 嘅朋友 click 嘅 chat 位咧，就去 chat room 嘅夠人拍卡，當今新加坡有人 at 陣，到啲朋友 hello at 陣，แล้วก็我特別記拍廣告就先到俾我特別介紹我特別嘉賓先，特別嘉賓到啲喺 Google Hangout 唔是到啲咧Skype 唔係 YouTube 入邊嘅，就是老椒英國店歡迎。
Hello，大家好。
啊，等你出嚟點嘢，跟住講得搞。
冇，我 GP study。啊。這邊嗰啲人會啲就靠邊。
是歡迎。你話嘅 L 嗰啲，嗰啲邊啲嘅歡迎。
我冇對邊
超情。啊，你唔是對邊啲啊？多多。
冇啦。邊度？
邊度？我都把它綁另一個。
唔係。
這店家超情歡迎。
好。
แล้วก็有老椒阿嬷是看唔到。 you in
大家好。
有時阿嬷是白白的，特別唔知乜事叫做阿嬷阿嬷แล้วก็阿嬷到底古蛇蘭，
他們叫古蛇蘭
New Zealand，
古西蘭，
我想古蛇蘭，
แล้วก็ออติตูฮันเนี่ยออติตู
Hi，講伊我知道特別明明伊下邊嗰啲白字句。
Hello。
啊啦，ออติตู等陣 OK， 我俾看。哇，แล้วก็只看個想亂的媽媽個。
哦耶，我来了。
無亂了，無亂了。來咩人？來昂。
所以。
冇咕嚕係，你夾咩？你看當嘅看，佢入邊攞嚟皮筋都知冇。
是咩？看掉啊！
我看到啲新嘅。
看入邊啲係。
安尼坤啊，媽安尼坤啊，偷皮幾下。
看到你爸爸。OK， 所以今日節目咧，較特別特別 ，Bright 48要介紹，我諗 Bright 48係咩物件 ？Bright 48咧就是到底美國一個 network， 然後有一人做 podcast 嘅電嘅人，佢了是 LGBT， 然後要介紹福建話 LGBT， 就是佢了就是安怎講啊？我唔知安怎講喎。LGBT stands for lesbian, gay, transgender, bisexual and transgender 啦，所以叫做 LGBT 了。我人一電嘅人，咁了咧就48點鐘頭一年時，頭一年第二年乜嘢事？我做48點鐘就啲拜個阿妹 start 起嚇，做48點鐘 until 禮拜阿妹。แล้ว咁了是 LGBT 嘅 LGBT friendly 我 ally 嘅 podcast 啦。有嚟做嚟一年一刀我能做現條嘅，錄音咯。所以當今咧嚇，
冇錯。
係咪？Then這禮拜咧，邊咧學見嘅錄音咧，就是我哋 during 這個 Bright 48 broadcast 時做，所以讓當今現條嘅聽人會使去聽，但我都未記 advertising， 但我佢去Facebook 嘅 advertising 咁樣。當佢拍嗰隻聲啊，佢拍嗰隻聲啊。OK， 我好long question。
这然后那个什么
阿毛还没說妹。
我是一邊想我朋友
一邊想我啲朋友阿毛啊。
你
咪靠近阿毛？
有嘢咩？
你把都
相柔嗎？
把都嘅話冇。
係啦，冇有啲時間聽你朋友。
我表唔是阿毛啊，伊是。Eurasian 嚟。
哦 ，Serani lang kira。我叫 Serani。咁我就咪會啦，第 basic 這個問題就是講，你coming out 你幾時在講你自己是唔是跌嘅？
是歪嘅。
唔是 YQQ。我有好聽嘛 QQ 嘅水 ，QQ 嘅 special 快啲啦 LGBT 咪叫 QQ 咯。Actually QQ 是成個 queer 嘅意思，即係當見人講 queer 用較 positive 嘅 queer 就是 QQ。LGBTQ 人是 Q，LGBTQ。啲人 curly fries 去 QQ 嘛，咪 Q 啦。好聊嚟，即係你其實再講你其實 QQ。I like it QQ 就 inclusive 嘛。QQ
講啊，
我嘅 QQ 嚟，你講聲。SS 係咩？雙啊！我邊咧學嘅大全部是相信啲嘅。家己講家己爽 KKS。相信啲嚟玩其實再講呢個其實 Q 嘅。媽媽哥。
哇 ，I think 是6年級啩。
哦。
我呀，毛毛菇。
Thank you。
試就知是橋嘅。
就是
好彩嘛無互你看到，看到橋個亂個咪亂拍格個了。
多咗邊件事有
For me, I think what's about 5歲啊。
哦，5歲都知啊。
I mean, 就再講 different 啦，可能再講啦 different 咯。
啊。
橋我就。
你喺度嚼。
5歲算是第四。
係咪嘅
5歲算是第四啊，還是過啦過個四咯，你知啊？
咁你講我知啊咯。我唔幫我出事，我就係我嚼我出嚟是邊橋面。
嚼咁閪聽嘅，嚼。Big Fatty, hello, Big Fatty. Hello, Big Fatty. Thanks for coming to listen to the Ching Chong. OK， 嚟就會講橋，問講嚼橋，唔是嚇橋。你講5歲，你講到5歲時，你知係咩事？按照你冇想係咩意思？
Oh, okay. I think the time I think 就係啦，你再講就you know大波I will be with 大波 you know husband wife you know you get the binary concept 啦 you know husband wife male female that one so we 嗱你睇 but I always thought you know I what the more I don't feel like that way and it wasn't in a very sexual in nature lah it's normally how we talk or how we think. So that was okay. I think the easiest way to explain this is Simon, you know, I want to always remember the first time when Chuchi the TV series Chips.
乜大。
Chuchi okay, so there was one scene, which episode lah where show starring Mas Eric Estrada lo tio. So it was a scene where it tio then it the gym hospital. Then it shoot one scene where it told me change the way. That's it was change sa. Okay, it was it made that time it was never sexual lah, but it was like I like to see this kind of image because it was so it's like, but then I thought to myself like, but this is like a bit different from what you know like our God. I mean like people tell me lah that you know, see, but why am I interested to look at this person? But it is not in a very sexual nature. It's just look why you like. You just like to see lah.
What? Song ah.
It was sexual, you know. It was never sexual,
yeah. 你成日看哦 ，comfortable。你是看是成日講哦，哇，it attractive more than sexually arousing 對唔對？你成日看
，you can see that. 你成日
成日 draw you in， 你成日將你就 captured by topless shirt. I mean, shirtless men Yes, the idea maybe because maybe 佢試到嘅時候呢，呢個會 develop where 你you know
呢邊嘢個。
特別香港嘅 concept sex wound 嘛。
對。Okay, good. That's a good explanation. Anybody else? In Kotiang?
我真出細漢時我就知啦，差不多 experience 我傾著是差不多上個我哋讀啦 ，because 我細漢時啊，你嘅 exposure 嘅就是電視機啊，我看電視機時，你看我係咁搞，較熟嘅話，大波人，了較假嘅嚟啊，我較熟嘅看較老嘅較有血嘅。
哦，我哋都 already start 呢下子。
我看我係特別我本時成個看故事啦，冇看下面 Ironside 都會記俾出去會記 Ironside。
我聽過誒，
Ironside 是一個馬大人，伊 細漢伊較少年時，伊何超人拍情伊，然後伊袂行，所以伊坐伊個臉會搞伊咧。
Raymond Burr 嚇對。
對 ，Raymond Burr，哎呦，我愛這個 Raymond Burr，嗰個。特別我講我
supposedly gay 嘛 Raymond Burr。
嚇，特別我要講會聽一個故事，這個唔是我掉地成個我係點時我冇係咪注意啦，我冇係咪感覺特別啊，我默個啲搬厝嘅時，伊人翹個了人嘅物件，แล้ว伊吹彈我係kindergarten 嘅我kindergarten 嘅 report card，แล้ว佢哋是我baru 過去呢，baru 過去去 kindergarten，แล้ว我哋頭先嘅report card 啊。伊行來去英國去學話，伊人買笑了，伊人學話。
你係幾歲？
嚇，你我啲睇伊 report card 啊，伊講我講阿莫話啦，伊講 Patrick is very friendly and plays well with all the children, especially the boys.
Cute.
So. 唔知特別係你是冇嘢啊，嗱面冇。
拄好啊，難鬼事咧！特別，而家我俾佢講，就你福建你曉，你知我俾你看你曉講 kindergarten in 福建啊？
未曉。
UD 班。
UD 班，哦 ，OK。
咧，毛毛菇咧。
係咪？我是講緊咩6年級唔是咩？
啊，我再看 detail，但冇啦，咁人講 detail。
冇。哦，我是看到老爸啦，แล้วก็看到老爸赤啦，老爸 playboy，所以看嗰陣時看 because 老爸
playboy 是查某，
我是查某嘛？
唔是啦，查某啦，特別唔知做咩數定啊啲 focus 掉查某嘅啦。
你講有打波嘅叫咧？
有咩？
冇啊！打波啊 ，maybe 定到嘅事。
有啦，伊有做條 activity
所以看，
你冇看到
有 maybe 有定到事，啊是別你 maybe
轉落人特別會。
แล้ว接落嚟冇係少少啦，頭看老爸幫啦，
แล้ว係你幾歲？你講
6年級啦。
哦，6年級就哦，OK。
係老啦。
แล้ว
老。
誒 ，please 啊，好陣時間有拍追情 ，OK？
超情唔是追情。
OK， แล้ว冇看老爸嗰啲回片鹹濕片啦，แล้ว看不是看看大波呢，唔係看雜波啊，雜波啊就咩 fast forward 啦，แล้ว做架佢啦，嚇。做甲規粒 player 過好就請講一碟嘛，
假碟
啊假碟喎，แล้ว嘢丟出嚟係hand咗，咪執小。
哎呦！你我到啲 chat room 嚟，你John 講啊 ，Playboy turn you gay。
你看到拜拜那驚。
Good morning, Vivi. Good morning, Vivi. In the chat room. Okay, I'm gonna be checking back on the chat room periodically. Okay, going back to our Hokkien conversation. Hello. Okay. แล้ว阿蕉。
So，意思是講頂多時候我看到查某係禮拜我咁日只吉利咯。
有咩路rasa？
當然係人工嘅嘛。
有啊。
哦，唔係。
冇。你
看你我啊！
誒，未講，等陣 OK 啦，就對嚟看路啦，三吉利啊嘛，法蘭冇啦三吉利嘛。
你爸先冇啦三吉利。
你會借電。
借電咧，你係咪嘅看到是啊 ？OK， 你安怎？你其實 start， 你講你寫細漢都知啊嘛，就你冇想啊，你其實
我是大漢，我只細漢時話我唔浸數啊，我反正學程我咪都係生，然後我程係特殊都下面學，一個月係特殊都學程嘅啫。
嚇！
你係咪先生我冇程過年咯？
哦，你程掉哇，暑假掉啊，是實。
然後我等陣時候，
你rasa
等陣時候，
你rasa 成個情這啥事？你成日就啱luôn呢，你就 comfortable。
我無情願咧，ever since 查你事。
哦。
After that 是，我等好，我近啊，ทำ打波嘅了，到電腦咧成日打波嚟興奮啲咯。我等我近ทำ打波了，就打波啫，然後所以做大漢咧嗬，對打波要看打波嘅事咯。
哦。
咁我係問題啦。
阿蕉
，then 即係你感覺你家己 gender identity 是是查某嚟。
咩嘅？睇唔到。
gender 是講 gender identity，你是 feel 到 ，even though 你成 attitude 係咪㗎啦，就係較 comfortable with 打波啦，特別你其實 self identify as 查某㗎啦，對唔對？
應該是我未曉，前面我冇想。
特別人會你 OK，你有成日講感覺，啲可能咁會阿毛們，你有感覺講成日對你自己身軀啊，上面你是成日 feel 到你真是主人是打波還是查某？你 feel 到是？你有 problem identify 你自己as 查某
？OK 啦，冇講，古早時還是有啦。
嚇！
古早時還是看我個嘅，教我物件冇想咯，但冇隻錯。
Teenage envy 啊！
係咯。
誒 ，OK， 那 OK， 那
我 brother 係。
哦，你 brother 是 Q 本啊？
嚇，我 brother 是 Q。
哦。
伊我較少食咯，伊就是個煮物件啊，咧做下就。
所以兩隻 switch 呢，特別兩嘅。binary gender 嚟講。
你去每啲你嘅 LG 嘅 community，你看真正這劇定啊，有較嘅一人是 L 或 G 嘅啊，所以我想我感覺 must be 係啊，有一個 genetic 嘅reason 啊，有人變做 L 或 G 啊 ，because 呢這人啊，人。細漢呀都會知了啊，無 conditioning 做一個，了本時啊你看，你會個甲你會知啦是係咪啊？你人嘛是 conditioning 嘛是差不多像咯，特別有嘅一個變嚇變嚟看咧，了你每啲你會開定啊，你看較嘅較一人嘅條條嘅。
阿蕉
，OK， 我係感覺是講，等到古早嘅時啊，出來啦，咱未使做 scan 嘛，都唔知查甫還是查某嘅嘛。所以有隻謝謝我頭感覺講，我可能我把聲咧，我顧一個查甫啦，讓希望第二個是一個查甫嚟，咁唔係咧細時嚟做話咯。
你會同我朋友我嘛嗬 ，cause 我攞嚟代嚟 elder brother 嘛，第一個 baby 是查甫啊嘛，即係嘛就下嚟講我是查某，特別靚嘅嗬。
特別本別。
So
呢把你要查甫
可能 I mean 多少啦，是 because 你 mother 嘅harapan 啊，造成把你看望曬出來。
Tapi boy cabang malah nak send cabang tapi ke si L 嚟嚇。
我係有時做打兵 ，because 我有內個是打波了，我係馬甲白，定到是想講第三，定到是查波了嘅啦。
對咯。
個出來是，我咪睇過
theory 是淡薄啦。
我咪睇過 theory about that is the concept of very binary gender 啦嚇，所以你是答波because education time 教育點寫㗎 gender differentiation between gender and sexual orientation 就是講你是成個話是 totally okay with 我 male gender identity even though 只我只 close friends 每日之後講哦，你成日有較濟查某嘅 element，but I don't care 啦。But what gender wise，我是 totally happy 啊。And then， 啊，宝贝，那现在 go into this route 哈，transition okay. Into 阿毛 do you want to 你咪就講？
我講真有興趣，因為特人講伊 feel 到哈咪甲別人無相似，一刀呢，我是兩刀。
嚇哦，
兩刀是。對，我一刀是feel 到係你我細漢嘅時我唔知，但係gender你使講我 gender 有問題，我真係早就知，特別唔知是係咪事，然後我suka查甫還是查某，係另外一個另外嘅事啊，這是我12歲、13歲就知啦。
就係講你是 bisexual，that means you not 你是唔是？係你是唔是你頭先 discovery？ OK， 係你較硬嘛 ？I think that is 較硬 figure out，because 你 feeling 是哦，看到查某唔熟㗎，看到查甫唔熟㗎，看到你係咪啊？攏看到 skip TV 唔熟㗎，看到 Baywatch 跳唔熟㗎。
對，
後面我就變華喜咯，攞餅碗。
特別我嚟邊感覺奇怪，所以我別啦，我別
哦，你冇 comfortable with the idea 啦。
對。
So you try to suppress 啊？
對，所以我11歲到13歲我真係冇熟㗎，我本綁掉餅啦。那大人啊，就是打波啊，伊幾時就綁到伊咕咕叫啦，幾時啦，差唔多10歲11歲對，
係咪嘅？你講了打波。
how to say 拍手精啦。
哦，拍手精
啦，就是應該是你是打波啦，打波嘅就差唔多10幾歲就 start 綁掉哈。
打波啊
？start masturbate。How old 啊？
你開始拍手精幾歲啊
？Standard 5。
11歲。
11歲。
我12歲。
我是幾十歲，因為我本來冇時間綁掉，所以我而家特別感覺綁掉喺度真係。
OK， 阿蕉拜拜，阿蕉拜拜。
蕉拜。
拜。所以加別人加 L 個字冇想啦，因為 L 個字伊人知。suka 係咪人啦？本是 suka 自己嘅辛苦啦，所以
OK
較簡單好冇。
對。Then on top of that bisexuality already 是較 confusing 嘅 ，because 你成日講你冇成日講OK 我冇 suka 查某，我 suka 查甫 ，at least 你 OK that's dealt。But it's like 我 suka 查某。tapi aku suka apa already confused out. Then on top of that gender identity issue to deal with. Tapi gender identity issue lu kisi ka hot cocktail.
Oi, 30. Oi. 30. 伊到底是蝦米事？是30幾歲？oi， 我記記我捌甲你講過，因為我最近我無去小安尼坐迄個事啊，應該是早6年啦，6年前啦。我35歲啦，安尼事我就知是蝦米事，我內面有安尼個問題，安尼有安尼感覺。
你成日真係無歡喜啦，你真係無歡喜。
就是我大擺我去how to say， 我I can't remember how to say that. Go and chase women and get into relationships with them. 追打波的，對，我大擺是失敗啦。我大擺就是 have depression problem and everything seems strange, yeah.
哦。
標照，
成間冇咩啱就對啦，冇咩對皮啦，對到。
標照，
我係咪對皮？
嚇，咪走啦，
嚇咪走。
OK，感謝啊，拜
拜。
係了，你安怎？你真無歡喜，特別你還是較濟咧，所以講你頭那個讀短期你較早嘅時，講你再講你暑假打包時，特別你買你會 suppress 你嘅 male attraction 咯。
對，
係道理嘅了。
有咧，我當佢白記去了，因為是30年前啦。特別我會記，我迄個時本有 start 請我嘅馬會沙啦，我特別馬會沙無蝦米好啦，但是我本是我18歲啦，แล้ว我真係 suppress 迄個，我就將我愛做 how to say normal， 就是普通嘅人啊，做普通人啊，愛做普通人嘅事，就是愛找查某啦，那是我學白人做嘅。我就變做個白人啊，你看啊，所以我去教英甲日本人啊，我去有查某朋友啊，蝦米，特別到地內面真係 confused。
哦，你 OK， 咱咪解釋下，人聽係叫幾人未看到你當然是不是？即係紅毛咧是。聽到你剛剛講 about transition 然後你咪 clarify Amor born as a male body physically then 你幾歲是 transition
那是迄個本是37歲唔是個較早啦我袂記啦我4年前就去上地啦所以我5年前就變5年半我就變我名啦。
我昨天 it's kind of funny. This morning 我看在 somewhere Google Plus 還是 somewhere 我看到 that video。
WhatsApp 是唔是啊？對，有人哋 share 當今啦。最近有真係濟人哋 share 我電腦嘅 video， 特別有人 share 給我，伊人本唔知是我嚟。
你成日阿媽看過一個阿媽講我，過一個阿媽講。阿媽問你 ，Does that bother you？
冇啦，我有可能。No, not anymore. I don't mind anymore.
That's so good because I think you're in your true skin and self. I think it makes it easier, right?
對。然後我人問我就會講我嘅故事啦。然後我學生啊，差唔多然後學生講，因為我舊年我就。講一個 call 叫做 Queer Asia， แล้ว我講上地 Lady Boy 嘅書，แล้ว Malaysia มักเนีย嘅書，係咪？แล้ว I said, and of course you all know that I am like that too, and 有啲人冇去笑掉安尼，特別有啲人講，oh yeah, I kind of guessed that, but nobody cares in New Zealand。New Zealand 地多啦，對，依樣中國家啦。
我哋都講。
我有隻 question for 我啦嚇。Okay, when you transition 嘅時，當有 in New Zealand 啊，嗱有 guidelines 你 hormones。
我哋 Australia transition 啊。我 transition to New Zealand. 睇我多澳洲啊。
You guidelines 講 not how many pills I mean because I think that's like transgender people in especially transgender female or transgender women in Malaysia like young when they transition is young is most of the times the word of mouth so young 食yang朋友嘅食即落去 so sometimes they overdose you know and then they have unexpected complications so
我人真正好运啊，因为我人有一个how to say 老公啊，老公伊真正识甲这个问题，伊就爱讲你爱食迄个hormone 啦，你特别去 test how to say is it like take no test blood yeah
驗血，
你特別檢血，就是攞過節一刀啦，一看迄個荷爾蒙對你嘅甲瓜對你嘅身軀係咪影響啦？所以呢樣真係好啦。那唔是講了誒報間喺 Australia 有安尼款啦，呢是 Canberra 特別好啊。我唔知係咪數，特別 Canberra 我因為我住 Canberra， 所以我冇係咪問題啦。較嚴咗啦。
到底馬來西亞嗰啲是 self-administered 嚟㗎了。
對，所以you know life with all sorts of problems so then because I think that's in the endocrinologists they don't specialize in gender reassignment.
Some day 本是想
cannot help you also.
對，some day 本是想啦，你啲 some day 啦，你愛，因像個我大病嗰陣時，我嘅荷爾蒙我食了啦，所以我就未去 some day 買啊。你啲 some day 你去 chemist 就買就無人買咯，係咪？你有鐳你就會買啦，買掉。Tapi yeah, it's a bit dangerous. 有淡薄風險啊。
Tapi 我想啊，你若是要換查甫做查某，還是查某換查甫，你袂使死個做，你袂使死煞做嘅，即真正艱苦。你都要去一個大你群厝有加了會顧你嘅身軀，佮顧你嘅腦本。because 這邊啲人講第好嘅位要做嘅款嘅話是啲 London King's College 啲 London， 伊人真係謝年了做。你若是要 apply 要做啊，伊人過你啊，真正過你較真正忝啊，伊人 interview 你，伊人互你做你嘅 psychological profile， 幾若謝刀啊，了伊人 support 你，伊人伊規 package 啊 support 你嘅腦 support 你 emotionally support 你嘅 conversion 卡了 each step of the way 伊人過你。唔是看下伊 hormones 啊 ，because 你要換時啊，你都要考慮腦甲你嘅身軀本。
你看我無安尼款，所以我講我好運，因為特別我本來無好運，因為我真係這年啊，就是三年來啊，今年較好啦，特別3年來我愛自殺啊，我有真係這 depression problem very bad ones。呢本是因為你愛我係你是無工啊，我想講我找無工嘅，因為人看到我伊就無愛請我做工啊，所以我直小安尼款嘅事，了，佫有像到我當時嘛，我一人啊，我就驚將來我會single 呀。I always worried about that sort of thing. The psychological thing is actually quite important. But in the end, I worked through it myself. But it wasn't easy.
Uncle.
Yeah.
I told you before. 應該當我教你把教你講過哈。
咱把它搞了啦。
Because things in Malaysia 都冇呢。You know, it's not so open.
I know, yeah.
政府伊人就無成個伊人無錢，安尼款嘅人嘅，伊人無錢，安尼款嘅人有影正嘅問題，伊人想講伊人即個是，了所伊人本是伊人嘅 religion 啊，無蝦米合嘅安尼款嘅
不要紧，人哋話打波查波打波，伊人都無學噶人 LG 嘅意思，伊人就唔拍嘅啦，伊人嘅 religion 未可伊人笑噶拍落呢款嘅本地，所以伊人都真正後邊了咯，真正 backward 了咯。
你人講對你人叫其實對L 走過嚟啊，好，全係 G 是，咱講係 G 是。咱 G 嘅橋，你感覺到你知啦，你發覺到你知講你其實你幾歲，你知講你自己無想係物件但係冇講要 resist 啊，你人處理個了有 resist 無？你其實自己嚟接受啊。
Full force，
full force 啊，直接講 full force。I just quite envious about 你人咁because 我基本就我 struggle 就係你就 about my sexuality。
冇啦，我教官你啦，John，唔是我冇俾成個講教官上者啦。你聽。你若是無想甲別人啊，你若是想甲你若是打波，你愛打波，愛打波嘅。甲了你會打波嘅朋友，甲了直講愛打波，你就袂出聲講係咪啊？你參加人啦，你參加你就無想甲人。了我靠較慘，我本是無，我愛打波本是一個問題，然後嗰一個問題係我愛較有會嘅打波。參加別個嘅本，你本是無上嘅人了。較濟我係知嘅朋友，這邊較了是平常嘅，我講較普通較平常嘅知啦。伊人較了個，伊人會會嘅人嘅啦。我教我知十幾歲，知十六歲，知17歲啊！我巴魯個會知啊，有別人上甲我嘅款。我安怎你知無？我安怎是我有一個好朋友，伊是真十有歲嘅人啦，伊是70幾歲啦。伊去找伊嘅朋友佇巴黎，佇法國，佇巴黎，伊看到一個 magazine， 一個magazine， 伊看到這個 magazine 是何子嘅人啊？屬較有歲嘅人嘅啊，然後伊個報紙出佇 California 是美國邊，然後佢哋點寫伊個紙啊，伊人會用嘅紙啊，即個人啊出伊個 magazine 佇伊個garage 位啊，然後伊
家己做啊，家己印啊，
伊家己做咧，家己搬咧，然後 somehow 啊，即個 magazine 去到舊家巴黎邊。了我嘅朋友看到，伊個朋友知我暑假安款，伊互我伊個報紙，我互我嘅partner看，人講阿無後年伊人有伊個 gathering 嘅時，人去參加人去 Florida 所以了我去下個 gathering 嘅時，哇！我想甲死了去 heaven 去啊！你知無？人去伊個我人去一個客棧啊，這個客棧是佇 Orlando， 你知 Orlando 啊？伊個客棧真正大啊！人去大佇個 Twin Towers 啊，哈利尼啊！我本是會95年，我 Anthony 甲我接去伊個客棧嘅 lobby 啊，看到啊，較假甲一千個 registrant 知無？加了規世界來啊，規世界來，較假甲一千啊！我想講，哎呦 ，finally I am home man！ 你知無？
我講掉。I can relate to you to a certain degree, yeah, because even one must fancy the older guys, you know. So you like silver daddies lah.
了，他那是平常啦，他那較平常啦，有 silver daddies 啦，了啲英國有 Kev Moss， 了我
Kev Moss
係人啦
，Kev Moss 係咩
？Kev Moss 是人阿毛嘅 equivalent of silver daddies。Kev Moss CAFFMOS。
我那時候我看過嘅 website。
了
了人我去邊啊，哇！安尼借啊，有歲人了，安尼借少年人啊，伊人少年人直直看伊老人呀。了我拄着我做甲真正借好朋友好邊啊。然後我有一搭我借個我第好嘅朋友佇美國啊，伊是差不多8歲甲我，伊本是有一個。較老嘅朋友，然後伊嘅老嘅朋友本親啊本是關係，人我拄嘅時候，人直直講我甲伊 ，Hello，安尼做物件像啊，人有安尼做物件像 ，so much in common 啊，人成個兄弟啊，安尼看到知無？
This is but for the first time, your people.
人講話人嘅慶祝，咁了安尼想一個啊，人特別伊是美國嘅人，我是馬來西亞嘅人去英國，安尼無像啊，本是相本。安尼款嘅慶祝，你袂解釋互人袂人若是毋是字啊，是毋是你袂解釋互人，伊人袂明白嘅。
Yeah, I have to agree because I think why a lot of my friends are young into either twins or they're into jogs, muscles. You know, so I think I'm one of those. Yeah, both are best. That's of the friends that I mix around with, young they are into best or silver daddy. So it's only one aspect that perhaps I'm into. Bigger guys or more mature guys.
Oh, can you hear me?
Hello, Tao Ge.
Tao Ge.
Hi, Mamogu.
我冇個嚟，我每到對到特媽我能講起question 就是你幾時開格掉你個幾部相幾時你開格掉你 QQ。
我呢度就係唔識 QQ 嘅啦。
你知你細行就知啊，阿咪你幾時知講你自己 discover 講你自己㗎唔是跌你是 Q 嘅。
我是after 我入secondary school 咯。
哦，中學 OK。中學時開家知，你細行到底小學時冇去小學係咩？
無去 ，I mean 我無特別去想伊啦，但中學我 feel 到我陣間我 different than others 咯。
但我問兩間講嘅咧，特別我冇跟你講，我 actually 我 about 10歲時，現在4是10歲還是9歲啊？10，現在4是10歲 about actually maybe no I think it's 較早啊 maybe 我個7歲8歲我就知我冇想啊6、7歲是6、7歲 but it is when 我10歲時我 start 有想個大媽我哋都講嘅係個 attraction to male figures 啊我係想個係我想個唔是 not sexually 特別你想個就 drawn to 一想個they're captivating 嘅很แล้ว特別我 struggle 就係這年啦 going through 所以你會 suppress 我 feeling that slowly from that 係一種嘅成個 attraction to or 你成個 attracted to 打波係 not physically but the idea but man slowly because 它是 start puberty 好你差唔多去11歲12歲時你 start 變做 from that obsession into like physical attraction here 啦係 so that part is I think struggle 第一節就是 during that time 時 because I feel that I'm not supposed to 我唔使 because 我唔知對你嚟講係話你細漢當今冇想有可能當今這一 exposure， 頂到嘅時細漢嘅時 ，in 70、80年嘅時，無你有影感覺到是家己你是規世界是你家己一人嘅可能，所以 of course 你感覺到你知講suppose 你嘅 norm 係that 你 exposed to 嘅 norm， 嗰陣時打波教應該查某，所以你感覺到安怎我家己一人嘅可能是唔是我有 something wrong 啦？
我講
yeah.
Okay. I managed to feel like that for a very, very short period because from in between the time that, what about my chips story. Then after that, let's fast forward a few years. Then see that now.
Ally arrival.
喺南西。
講下咩嘢？
講嘅。
講嘅。
哦，講嘅啊，OK。
Right.
So as I was saying, so that time to see after that, so what fast forward to a few years, so that was 1984. So that time what the our starting phase you want to listen to modern that time the current pop music then the time what the content called culture club. You know? Do you 在講 those who are around my age 會在講 who's culture club 嘛？對哦。
在，我在。
所以就是在講然後就等埋問講，咦，隻 boy George 咧，唔係陳鬼嚟㗎，唔是打波，唔是查波。OK， 原來講這世界唔是我一人啊！你看 ，I actually meet kind of OK， so actually 有別人 ，so not so worried。
等陣我咪到啲 chat room 啊 ，chat room 嘅人誒真係話講一教會開格嗰個叫 QQ， แล้วก็即係聽講 Toppy Smelly，Hi Toppy Smelly，Good morning。因為serious question 嚟講，做咩事當時 long slip into English is a bit because there's no way to say what you wanted to say, or sometimes it's not no way, but we are not very familiar with certain terminology. Yeah,
that's correct.
And some were educated in English. Like I think some of our viewers were actually
like Angmo.
Okay. Actually,
The problem also is that Chinese culture was essentially very heterosexist, and because of that, it never developed a vocabulary which could cope with transgender and sexuality issues. As far as homosexuality was concerned, so that's part of the problem. A lot of the Oriental cultures are the same.
I'm sure that's changing. Don't you think? Like the newer generation might actually have more words for what we want to express. But since
but look at that. Look at that. We just had to invent our own word, Q.
Yeah, but when we were growing up, though, that's why in our era. So maybe like the younger generation may not have as much as. Okay, let's talk about. That's a good topic. 安怎叫你嘅人 ？Okay， 那安怎講 LGBT？ 安怎講in Hokkien 話 ？How do you express your own queer identity？
唔知啊，愛打波。
QQ 啦，
愛阿公。
阿公。
我是 AAK， 愛阿公。
阿 John
MAMK 是阿摩阿瓜。
阿 John， 阿list one 個是幾歲行嚟咯那邊？
我試下。
Please， I think 係第二個咯。
過
去，唔係講我接頭講。
大媽，這個少年，這店個少年，這店個。
這店冇看見。
我知道。
大媽嚟啊！
我知道。OK。
佢這是交去集去債嘛，我每前仔自己嘅 friend 啦，咁你一般教我講交去咯，集去咯。around there 啦，比較集 around there 伊人 start 債 they are difference。點樣啊？
我會講嘅大媽就是Toppy Smelly. If you're still listening, Toppy Smelly, we have a pretty good representation here. We have all the LGBT. Some persons might have, some individuals may have more than others, but we have a good representation today. I'm so proud.
Yay!
Including ally. We have an ally too. So 我俾 OK， 等陣先生有 ally 嚇，男仔我俾問你 about 你嘅 gay friends around you。實在我 feel 到有啲人 ，especially 查某嚇，伊人較 already 成個男仔咧，我 feel 到有啲查某樣 naturally 較 open to gay man 嘅咯 feel 到。
是，我 almost more than 50% of friends 是 gay 嘅。而家奇怪，我真係 attract by gay， 真奇怪。你我本真係 attract by gay，I mean 我家己本真係 attract gay。我真奇怪，介講就好妙好咧，阿啲誒，你我 antenna 本就係長嘅哦。
有 antenna 甲人像。
satellite dish，記得。
我看到好了，甲我講啊點正話可能 about 1 hour conversation 哦。等我係拉薩，伊成個時嚟喎，你看了，頂擺我就唔敢問。after sometime 了 ，I mean 我白錢一借了，關事啊嗬，你話直頭問你是唔是嘅？我是 straightforward 啦，你是唔是嘅？因為我哋就講是，我哋講唔是，有真正嗬，有影後我跳掉出來嗰種。
我跳掉，我 feel 到啊，男仔你嘅 sensitivity 啊 ，sometimes is from 你嘅。你 intuition， 你 because 你當你係看到鬼嘅人啊，你看到鬼嘅人，伊就 sensitive to 你係我本會看到其他自己嘅朋友嚟同我做朋友嘅，真奇怪。呀，金培咧，金培嚟啊，歡迎金培。Hello。
Hi， 金培。
金培臨 message 你冇 in 呢啊，你？
我sorry 咧，你講到我嗰度講好，我冇看我電話喺你 message 嗰度，我今日看 WhatsApp 呢 ，because 你 message 太濟廣告了。
係咪 comment 咧？
擺我 WhatsApp 你啦。
剛剛係你 iCloud 嘅 message 啊，係接人係你 phone 嘅 message 嘅位嘅嘛。
有見啦，你知啦，你好了，你知做好了啦，別有見啦。
我看到啦，我 reply 錄完 WhatsApp 啦。
OK，thank you。
我把你家看呢，但係冇個 call 我家去看呢 ，sorry。
咁去啊，咁去。
Yes。
我咪未咯，你但我啲架即係講掉你，有你查某成 naturally 成就 open to gay man 嘅 friends。你是唔是？
我是啊。
你是 because of 你細漢嘅大漢，你成日可能是 because of 你 industry 成日你 study 你 professional。
對，我 study 一個後嗬，我唔
以後你看佢毛毛菇啊，佢在踢球啊，係咪踢球啊？踢到，唔是我啦。叮當當當空當當當。
冇阿 John 那團隊喺那邊，toilet。
嚇？
水咯。
那toilet那邊。
係啦，我聽到。
echo。
個 echo 啦，針板鏗鏘鏘。啊，來咁配講就對咁配。
是啊，我是啊。
就
做工都捌着食濟雞咩？你可能。
sorry 我捌咗只我睇到你 message，OK， 我同見contact，
你看，個講冇亂。
You want to play WhatsApp message？
Sorry，我估我睇你 message 啊，我啲 playback，sorry。太死。
我估只個講話。
運安啊。
要運安。
呢個大媽 call 咯，
毛毛菇，習慣就好。
關事就好啊。
關事就好。
了，你人 from airline standpoint 咧，你講 about 咧，即做咩事你誒，等下，你係 attract to 即係 LGBT 嘅 community， 你就 feel 到人，真係啱啦 ，because 就 frankly， 即係人是。唔是講伊無 exposure 呢，特別伊個有上加即係 close-mindedness 啊，所以就頭被 allow that difference to be，they allow that difference to be an issue， So 你人做咩事會感覺啲哦，啲只 open and 嚇呢？我咪內雜噃。
可能嘅大波較好參，加會變白，我人愛下面物件。
啊哈。
啊，加 detail。加 detail， 所以我會接受，我會舒服，甲嘅大波做朋友 ，because 加 detail 了，我頂晚我剛剛我 actually 我年頭有時看朋友把你80歲呢嘛，是嘅吼。啊。伊頂晚我解白白食飯吼，伊白下卡互我食愛咯就。哦。伊真正 detail， 我講真，那位翁無肯做啦，所以。我翁就差唔多。我講我即世界吼有兩個人做我食呢，一個是我爸，另一個就是我一個朋友。哦。
咁配呢？
我無咩參查某嘅 friend 嚟。
Actually， 我係 imagine 乜嘢你 personality 先哈。你成日冇冇成講啊？咱今日去 shopping 嘅七點解要嚇呢？
我讀冊嘅時候，我是讀雜某活動嘅。特別啊，我啲雜某，我讀冊嘅時不是迄幾個交朋友，馬路不是抄迄幾個交朋友呢。
你rasa lu嘅 personality 咁似成個 gay man 乜嘢？
我唔知咧。
你 personality 成大波，成個 gay 大波，actually yeah， 但波嚟 between because 你大波，你成個 because 你只啲大聲真正無成個講較安尼斯本雜波呢，你愛講就講，愛笑就笑嘛。
嚇！所以斯本嘅雜波我無參嘅，我只老師。
你咪未參話咯，我哋斯本。
John 你講真嘅哦。
係咩物件？
你講真嘅哦。
嚇！
你講真嘅是假，你斯本。
嚇！講假。我斯本咯，人講我斯本咯，人。
冇阿 John， 你是跟他表面上講斯本，但係後背嗬 ，actually 是 naughty 嘅。
啊，不是 naughty。
naughty。
哦
naughty 啊！
我講佢喺邊 naughty。
sorry。
自己。我是探大包較濟咯，然後有但是幾嘢本有啦。幾嘢本有本，幾嘢有陣時會較好講話本嘅。
你 because 你參到一大波trade，but then 你個無迄個straight 一大波complications。
我未曉喎。
That means 你關係參大波嘛？所以參大波特別大波，但是幾大波你佢無上 level 你 mentally 你想 relate to 卡成個suka 一般suka大波，然後所以你 memory about 講係教書路啊，成日你看啊。
正常大波我本 OK 本嚟。
你話咪係正常。泡湯嘅大波，泡湯時間你凊彩去得嚟點樣騰俾騰除掉嘅？你話人咧 QQ 咧是較特別嘅，特別做咩 special order 嘅？
你講下泡湯嘅後啊，你愛講食好參本味咯。
泡湯嘅大波。但係我是講你有 actually complication 啊。
嚇，對。
你免煩惱嘛？你係你夾你免驚講是因為你是被暑假話上面，你再講我人是參你是唔是被交接你官入面嘅嚇。
That means 就是你人這種嘅 actually 容易上 because of 你人是係咪種嘅人知影嘛？所以 at least 再講就是講話個好容易講。I mean actually 我不是 agree 啊，因為再講就是。So far 啦，我有一個 friend 啦 ，I mean 我有2 girls that actually that okay with me。我係男仔咯，嗰另外一個是我係一個 best friend。So 我 feel 到 sometimes 我 before open 陣時咧 ，sometimes 我 feel 到成個我唔知大家講咩嘢嘅。But recently 我嘅 open 陣時咧，我個上面啊更公咯，你諗？
係咯，你嘅先嘅湯咯，先嘅湯。
我就 topic 咯，你諗？
所以我未記嗬，我未記啦。你人會suka吹查某講心事，還是suka吹到對 gay 講心事
？I don't know. You guys have to take this.
我是 both 咯，我是 both 咯啊。
你看最咧 ，individual 看最你會痛。
Depends on 我嘅relationship 是話久咯，因為我有生我嘅 friend 嘅，我係講我係心事嘅面嘅咯。
But don't you think though？你無啦三咩成日講吹查某有 benefit 就是 straight 啦 ，especially 嚇。benefit for the gay man 啊，唔是 for 查某，是 because 伊你們看到講可能你講啊，變做自家的意義。Because 我哋 gay man 你再講，伊是查某，所以你再講你 there's no you know 你 chemistry 那邊嘅嘛。At least the sexual is ah. Tapi cabos on the cabos side, nasi kong sometimes because apa kuat relationship between cetapo gay man and straight woman ya, ilang cabos sangat tahu suka gay man. Tapi for the gay man, it's very safe loh because cai kong ibu there's nothing else. Luang palang.
Sorry, what's on this thing?
困起啊你！
你大電話。
我講你明男仔都冇。
我話實question again。
唔明白，你做咩解釋佢哋？
解釋啊？
係咪
？Let's say。
我話實question again。嚇。
Pay attention. No, you feel 到你較 straight 就冇較應講你心事，還是你吹？
成家 friendship 嘅咧，我冇伴嘅，我有查某嘅朋友，我有查甫嘅朋友，特別我第一suka是較有配嘅查某。
哦 ，OK。
我特行是，我成日我特行啊，是我較suka較有配嘅人，我較無呢啱甲我平配嘅人。你看甲了我朋友甲了我查甫還是查某甲了是較有配嘅人啊！我係上個我去大學時有兩個 professor， 我真正親嘅人，我本是真係親嘅伊人嘅波。我一個我 professor 伊過身了啊，到佢睇下我直接吹伊個波。我隨波去參加波去食dinner，然後讓拍過下面行本我本時講，所以我冇本嘅，我冇參加，我有真係成 G 嘅朋友啊，讓冇下面會學嘅查某嘅，就只佢參加，是個冇個查某嚟看，我冇人嚟看嘅，我suka參加查某，白嘅參加查甫嘅，我冇本嘅。
Hey， 我被 switch gear 啫。我被每人看到底 Malaysia LGBT or maybe particularly you know those who are here 啦，當你知就是 what is the current issue？ 當今嘅問題係咩？I mean other than the obvious like okay government is not supportive and it's very conservative, but
actually oppressive. I would say conservative is very oppressive.
But okay, besides the obvious, I thought it was actually quite vibrant. The community is actually not bad, right, in Malaysia?
Okay. It depends on what kind of activities is done. I think, like usual, there are occasional gatherings and movie screenings, and there are Facebook groups active, yang network with the local LGBT community, and there are also gay clubs, gay saunas. Those are those are still going on. So, but it's not something that it's not something that you can actually do like in a big scale. There's you don't expect there's going to be pride.
Yeah. When okay, now let's predict, okay? Lurang rasa kisi Malaysia utau Pride Parade.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
not in my lifetime. Not in my lifetime.
Not in my lifetime lah.
DKK.
伊阮有啊，有几个人去啊？
Yang去 Taiwan, some of them yang去 Taiwan or yang去 Bangkok, they go there to march, but kind of defeats the purpose, right? If maybe one day with the Prime Minister, his son or something is gay or something, I don't know.
Yeah, so no, definitely don't see that in the future, like even 20-30 years.
Underground maybe lah.
Underground right lah.
They come out during May Day, Labor Day, our Labor Day. Some of them went to march. During birthday, some of them also went. They can bring the rainbow flag.
Yeah,
that's about it.
That might happen. Maybe within 50 years.
Okay, lor.
Because yeah. Okay, then okay. Let's compare and contrast Malaysia and somewhere else. US, UK, New Zealand, Australia, Singapore. No.
Singapore 是唔是有咧嚇？有一個 pink dot。
Singapore like pink dot. Pink dot sound like pride, yeah.
Singapore.
Wait.
Conservative
at Jiangong will happen first in Malaysia before in Singapore.
Yeah.
Singapore 已經有 pink dot 啦嘛。pink dot
但係真係多人反對啦。真係多人唔suka pink dot 啊。They ban them.
But that's kind of the whole idea is the pushback is part of progress, right? You have to do that you have to push through the pushback to make progress. So that's part of it. The fact that you can do it. You can't do between time to how many dot one be to Malaysia, I don't think.
Black dot. See.
唔知舊年有人愛做 pink dot Malaysia 了政府 warn 伊人啊。
Yes. I think that was Penang, no?
Penang.
Then after that, I was in with a few of the organizers, but I wasn't really involved with it. But I know some of the organizers, so because of the warning that came out, so Yang Tebo Tancho, then they actually they changed the name and then had it anyway lah.
But individually, you feel Nasi Gong, so pride and all that is more public, right? It's a bigger statement. That's like a bigger thing. But let's say Nasi Gong say scale, on a smaller scale, privately live life, to their partner, boyfriend. How's that part like in Malaysia?
Well, I think it's okay, quite acceptable. I think people will not come to let you throw stones, I suppose.
Gay bashing? Is it an issue?
No lah, not our. Okay, I can't say for all.
Yeah.
Just
share look at
smart. I suppose smart. Don't make those people go and make out. I'm not asking you to go and make out in front of Penang Road lah. Then you're always inviting yourself to be gay bashed. But there are a lot of people who live together and eat the boat. Not really those.
Because 番茄 sorry excuse me
Yes.
唔是伊 society 唔是 society 干那 society 呢有意思啲馬來西亞你家己嘅親戚你家己嘅家庭本會做問題哦你將你甲我人較好命人就被知啊人無相加哈你是 atypical 哈你是人真正好命了because 啊你看我講你我好你一個 example 我有一個朋友一個好朋友還啊伊較有歲嘅話伊他那是差不多60幾歲差不多70幾歲啦但係我捌伊嘅時伊是一個伊做一個 executive 一個 insurance company 伊真係慣了伊嘅 partner 是一個阿摩魯君本是大啲馬來西亞大啲 KL 伊人攞嚟大伯伯啊แล้ว我捌伊人嘅時啊伊人做伯伯學較加個20年了 OK แล้ว伊人大啲就嚟講到啲 KL 伊嘅工人啊啲做工啲厝啊伊嘅媽介紹互伊人嘅所以伊嘅工人入厝要扣厝嘅時啊伊人就要做上加伊人大啲攞嚟房間嘅款攞嚟大部人無夠用嘅 bachelor
係咪2G 你嚇
所以伊人啊較加個20年啊伊人成個 living a lie 嘅款 so much so 啊伊人攞嚟退休嘅時啊搬對去英國 because 即個伊阿摩人做一個教員甲伊個我嘅患啊搭波嘅朋友做伊個帶伊入去英國啊睇下伊我嘅患啊朋友啊伊個阿摩嘅朋友過身了伊做一個賣轉去馬來西亞伊袂打行到馬來西亞甲了伊個家庭伊個媽甲伊個爹伊個哥伊個姊個小妹小弟甲了有佇馬來西亞伊唔愛看伊人了
所以伊人一部
伊穿伊着穿甲伊人了伊伊袂 live as himself 伊特擺伊人嘅工人啊特日個工人就袂入厝啊煮食互伊人扣伊厝洗伊衫伊人都要做上甲伊人攞嚟大部人大啲
無相生活啦一個是 private 一個是 public 嘅 live 無相
伊人都要做上甲伊人大啲另外房間嘅
我未รู้伊嘅厝人知伊樣伊嘅 relationship 無還是伊 always just kept it quiet
伊都要 kept it quiet 特登本唔知有人 I'm sure 伊人嘅好朋友suspect 啦伊人嘅straight 嘅朋友我想伊人 suspect 啦干那伊嘅 gay 嘅朋友呢知甲伊人แล้ว伊本是買互伊嘅 family 知所以伊嘅工人袂使知
That's the thing
伊工人是伊嘅媽介紹伊人嘅
伊個問題 I'm not blaming it that it is on him. Obviously, everybody have their own reason to deal with their own family and their coming out, right? But just like for discussion only lah, because Inui for whatever reason, good or bad or whatever reason that is neutral, no judgment, is that he trying to keep it a secret here. 做伊靠較坎坷，若是講伊成日講 ，OK， 我無插我厝人，伊愛知賣知，即個是我嘅生活。你賣知，你賣嚟講，你家己走去一個數了，一頭 open 起個，互伊人expose that 對伊人嚇，然後 then let them deal with it 嚇，是另外一問題咧，伊就變得坎坷咯。
特別伊知伊嘅家庭嘅款是安怎款，伊知伊若是做呢款，伊若是出來，伊人就保護伊平安了。伊人保護伊
平安面啥物？會互伊死嘅你可能？
冇 blessing 啦，你面 never blessing 咯，冇開 blessing 啦。
對伊啦，
對啦，成個話，
對伊嘅朋友啦，
我想佢死下死話。
Because 我家己原本有朋友，我成日嚟看，一個阿嬷，一個鄧人，馬來西亞嘅。 了伊本是差唔多20年做这20年啊，伊厝诶人本是反对，伊人一知特别伊反对讲那是你袂经你诶 partner， 你是会惊啦，就变做伊就无法就被。Gone because he might bang he family of course he has a choice but you choose my ma which I totally understand 你知道 sometimes if especially 让大地无上 country 哈你姑一擺佢不要緊咯你實際自己就了是3年2年一打可能個 OK 但是你大條就是你真係艱苦
特別啊就講特別啊我朋友嘅問題是較慘嘅呢款because 那是伊個爸個嘛講佢聽，你那是要出來，安尼款，人咪白lu了，伊本是歡喜本，伊人放佢啊，伊放佢做，伊愛下面做，伊人放佢無差亂伊，伊唔是安尼款，伊唔是安尼款嘅問題，伊人伊驚伊個決定買幫伊做一個，伊人直直喊伊直直差亂，伊人差亂伊個朋友。他呢是較慘㗎，何伊人cut you off 嘅一個嘛是好事咯。你咪是好事咯，你做下面就冇幫人管你了。
即係較應了解，不過較應解決佢掉掉你慘掉你個人咯。
可憐。
最後。
可憐。
我講聽，
伊未對去馬來西亞，伊本是賣對去馬來西亞了。
你講垃圾掉，安怎嚟講咱有爸母新嘅一代嘅爸母可能較好啊。但係 I'm sure 成日講南西嘅 generation 嚟講你會驚住，你會 feel 到你較 open to the idea， 你別想，你看到你朋友 struggle，especially 有 gay friends 嘅人，你看到你朋友 struggle 嘅，你 feel 到，我感覺到啦，成個我爸母，我唔是講有你爸母無好，伊無想搞，就是頭一條嗬，伊人嘅 society， 你要 answer to the society before you answer to your own child 咋，變做你嘅 priority 是你嘅面水過，尤其是人長人咯，Asian 只濟先嘅，你面水較要緊過你嘅囝子歡喜無歡喜嘅嚇咯。
是，所以你 expose 伊會死人嘅係咪咯？
你變做死人變歡喜咯。你為咗面水，
是，講真是，let's say 我嘅囝是安尼款啦嗬，我會 encourage 伊 out of Malaysia 咯，我叫伊走，我買地點㗎。
你看伊無正多得第一邊，
真嘅是真 Malaysia 是無正多，幸苦。我看陣一 Facebook 哦，我係 gay friend 嘅 speak，I mean 我係 gay friend，因為 Facebook 搞了 Malaysia 嘅啦，無 open 咯。是那無 open，樣啲嘅 Facebook 樣 share 嘅個了，我應該看袂到伊嘅 partner 嘅喎。
I see。
你咪有看袂到伊嘅 partner，我先條歪，你愛 share 就 share 出來講，學佢世界講你是 gay。
唔知，我冇得笑 Alex 嘅面起嚟。
你咩笑？你所以唔是隔了啦，I mean 唔是隔了，I mean。有 more than 70% 啦，隔了是無 share 伊嘅 private life 出來嘅咯。
But of course 啦 I can understand。有陣時我大邊我未 that's why 我未大 Malaysia 就是 because 我 feel 到 especially 我嘅 personality 我 out 啊。
Fabulous.
What surprise? Yes. Look, you cannot control my shine. You know why? My
yes,
glow. Yes, you'll go blind.
John.
你被有影放個了出來 ，because 你愛一個人，你愛 show 你 love 哦，你是愛放個了出來嘅嘛，咁冇緣，你有影 in love 嘅事。
Yeah.
你個袂使互人知哦，哇，梗係坎坷。
Actually，我唔是驚，我唔是講俾學佢識嘅人知，我俾學知嘅人是。
你個全係講緊玩。
鬥嘅，阿飛，邊個上面有人
？Actually sorry 啊，我數名講我 actually agree with 男生所講嘅面嘅咯，因為 really 講真嘅一句，我有這 feeling 就是我唔敢放出來。因為我喺 Facebook 那邊，我有我嘅 family 那邊本。So sometimes I feel 到 insecure 咯 ，for me to put 個了出來。 我講唔知嗱點解是安怎，我知影我 sister 嗱是被安怎，但係我唔知影我 mother feeling 安怎嘅時候，伊發覺叫咯。
Yeah. Because that's the only thing. Especially Asian children, ilang a concern of coming out it's not for themselves, it's for the parents. Yang to be protecting their parents. 唔使講ilang嘅enjoy 做樣激心做樣煩惱。especially 有幾時間有會咧，你咪去家嘅人。So I understand why being big 這裡 call 啦，why being big.
I mean, even like white case where I'm already out to my family, but still my mother in my extended family to know. In my concept, yes, sisters are. So whoever content what what's in the city lah.
係啦，嗱其實諗係啦，你明自己講。
Yeah, but so my mother only concern is because it doesn't want the extended family to know, but she's fine with because of course it was a bit difficult when when I first came out. Then but it is sooner or later they started to be able to accept though.
阿毛你講咩？阿毛得嗎？
你人看你有時就曝光就好啦。我曝光，隔了人分快掉。
對，that's another extra element，人唔去想掉。
有咧親戚我真正濟年報到掉，因為真濟是在英國啦。有這邊嘅我。10幾年冇拄到伊人，所以我就不要緊啦。伊人 gossip 何人知啦？特別我免拄到伊人，所以冇去插。
Actually 你咪走啊
？3點了。
感謝
，sorry。Okay， 感謝。Good night。
Bye bye。
But boy, you love your two daddies, don't you? You love your two daddies. Good boy.
阿仔show 阿仔嚟看。
嗱，阿仔。
show 阿仔。
阿仔 buddy。Hello, buddy.
Hi, 阿仔。
你整係食背期嗬？
阿仔細啊，寶寶要發發啊？
發嚟啲哦。
寶寶要發發哦。
背期啊？
寶寶要發發咩？個發發啊你？
你這個是講緊幾點？
我差唔多上邊你學緊啦咯，差唔多about 9分鐘嘅啦，嚇，當今差唔多講about 1點鐘23，即係about 9分鐘嘅啦，可能1點半鐘咧。但係你人 ，OK， 你人有係咪可唔可以 share about the whole topic discussion？
我 feel 到啲 Malaysia 啊，即係只坎坷可能 accept 個老闆。這是第一入邊啊 formulation 啊，反正。只坎坷，想人上 generation 嚟都 OK 個。你變咗，你對條 parents 啊 ，especially festive 嘅事啊，你要去按照答應嘅問題啊。你只尷尬啊，迄種嘅 feeling。
我咁配 ，actually 我 sister 掛毒嗰陣啊部，我 sister 掛毒我係見啦問話呢就是愛傳播。所以我係 in happen 我 sister 搞咗點啊？我 sister 第一搞我係見講我 ，is 個大 boy。And then 我伊嘅 reaction 哦，個佢變佢假頭看個背看個頭看。
Actually, sometimes it takes people like that to teach them a lesson.
Yeah. I think maybe these days I won't see. I don't like social friends. I just tell them I don't care. They don't care lah. You can accept, you accept lor.
You can call come out to 嚟朋友，你can call.
Just blurt it out lor. 然後做佢嗱買單都 become 變配嘅搞嗰時。
You know what? Actually, this morning 我喺度諗 I mean, and it's a privilege. I feel like what would you privilege to see? I don't have to come out for a long time, because when you every day. Okay, so professionally, I'm very out at work, and that's part of my duty, and that's part of my contribution for being myself, right? So 我 feel 到真係 hockey that means 我到底到了 every aspect of my life 我冇人殺掉我to be control, and that's why sometimes when 有啲 gay men or not just gay men, the LGBT community feel 到成日講 wait, there's like, why do I have to have pride? Like every day is pride to me, but that you just have to remind yourself that not everybody have that luxury and that privilege.
Actually 我要講前行本人講coming out 上個特擺是安尼好嘅物件，特別我成日較濟到嘅人要 come out 是唔是互別人嘅好，是互你家己嘅好呢？
Yes, yeah. Yeah,
so 有會到你都唔使 come out 嘅人都知啦，你係咪想要成個錢咯嘅 lifestyle 去錄？
Okay,
cover up. I have to cover up.
What answer? What answer that is come out. What is coming out a power on the public side. So you have to think like an activist as a collective. Because coming out means if you let the world know about your QQ-ness. That means you are normalizing the group of people that they sometimes don't think or realize they have exposure to. So when
Tapi tanpa presumptuous lang uelang open to normalization, uelang bo open to normalization, but ilang live with it provided lu bo cho his sound.
But it's up to that. It's still an individual choice. Coming out is an individual choice. Look, I choose to come out as I'm not saying that everybody should come out, but I do believe that when there are more people coming out, more of your friends would know that there's more gay people. So when but
呢本是上個 Stonewall， John 是上個 Stonewall， 但是 Stonewall 冇 happen， 本是冇被談人嘅 benefits， 人嘅 equality 安尼款，我會明白安尼款，特別有嘅上個我本有平人啦，呢本是講話嘅話嘅啦，啲人講我舊家上個即係平人講話，我舊家60幾歲。我係嘛是90幾歲，我都無夠用。一般地就我想一般地就知了，特別我若是天天出來講，我一聽，你嘅心就壞了。
Yeah, that's why 我講 coming out 是一個個人自己 personal choice 嚟。Because you be protect, sometimes you be protect 你 elder 老嘅 parents， 你man 你冇需要可以讓 go through that trauma or that experience。
你特別小啦，你要出來是互你家己甘願，還是你要正互你嘅家庭家會明白。
Yeah, John, yes， 我懂嘅。
But John。Coming out, it's not an issue. But the thing is, when you coming out, right? 你看啲身邊人accept 不？
好啦，豆嘅我同你講啦 ，as a mother 我嗱生你好好照嚟教女物講真啦，查甫是接受 ，strict man。行可接受嘅嘢，講真嘅，我查某是嘅 ，especially
那時候老闆，那時候
我愛介意講自己清楚。
我試過買得公啊嘅，我講我冇佢係傳播嘅，伊講真係冇係傳播，我本來咧我冇佢係過得死人，我講我冇係傳，我講係講。
如果香港就冇清楚，
係那都冇清楚，你八十年呢？
阿 John，sorry， 人嗰邊人那是被看住你，安怎看住你 ，John？
你被看你是去 pride48.com。pride48.com。Yeah， 我type邊啊，你 pride48.com。Yeah，go ahead。
是啊，我 I mean mother 是 accept 嘅，是真嘅，mother 係 accept 嘅，是講我按分界講嘅啊。mother 嘅應 accept，伊 maybe 係激死，但係個老講可能以前啊激死，伊係考嘅安怎呢？但 after all 嗬，唯有一個時間咧嗬，伊慢慢伊會接受。
你俾可以讓有機會看到你是歡喜嘅，但 I think that's the thing。你再講你嘅 life is good and sometimes I feel that when you come out 嗬 you have to be better than other people. You almost have to prove to them, your parents, that hey, I am more successful, I am better, and I am happier than ever.
對，我comment on what 你講啦 ，OK， whether is it issue of pushing your lifestyle into other people's faces, because like even in Malaysia especially, where there's always this very bad stereotype of the LGBT people. Okay? So that's why one of the reasons that that I come up to them is to educate them and say that hey, all this now they always think that think that you're unstraight, but now then when I tell them that no, I'm not straight, they show them that hey, actually we are just as normal as they are. Okay, I'm not going to ask you that come join me to Waki Disco or something like that. I just want to show them that we are just as normal as they are.
Yeah.
我第一陣時我係謝寶嘅朋友過嚟講。
có một câu cho bó
lúc bộ girlfriend
what I understand
kề mũi này
hẳn là why
Chinese New Year 就冇嘢嘛，就你 question。
Why? I you know, I've started to take it as a compliment. I was like, wow, anh em tao có bộ chua bó thêm tiêu. I mean, look playboy just a girlfriend and I mean, what's that? Because here's the reason. I don't deal with those people because there's no reason that I have to. You know? Because those people, wow, why do I have to go through that for them? That when I want to be out, I want to be out to the right people. For instance, what Hokkien is why decision is because I know it's gonna be an issue, right? Because look at the why and you're gonna take my whole fucking self. And so what feel the okay, this is a gay podcast in Penang Hokkien. Because present my gayness as part of how I present my Chinese heritage, my Hokkien influence. It's just one part of me. That's why 我第topic 有啦，我是講到想看到大波ปั๊ม搖看到大波未記琴ปั๊ม搖你怪你有講到啦，真係咪實在？特別你個故事 that's part of the story. That is not like the whole agenda, like gay agenda. But I don't wabble come out. I never denied it. In fact, earlier on, Katata is even Hokkien malu start as Jajelang attack why website because once you start with attention the Jajelang attack. Jajelang attack because of why gayness like attack why shoulder. 我講哇，這個查甫型啊，伊笑成個查甫呢，你講話成個查甫係咪？我講yes, I know. That's why I have a show. No, then that shut everybody up. Like all the haters who come and just say, "Ayo, let's see 查甫型啊." Please 我唔知啊。I don't need you to tell me.
Yeah, I know more myself than you.
我同你講咗，我定咪嗬，我就講嘛，你話叫 share 學朋友講，即係本嚟 podcast 啊，哎聽啷聽嗬，我同你講，咁咧 straight man 聽了，教我講係咪啊？我唔係聽英國自己嘅。
Yes.
我聽到我梗係使擺嘢定義啊咯。對。我收的 gay 我先聽哦，then it's gay podcast 咪 gay podcast 啊。
冇，以前講聽小姐啊，好聽喂。你講聽我聲，你講聽我聲就這嗬，可能你聽我 episode 200咧嗬，學險走去 不去掃人嘅爛只。
我要聽小姐了，會叫做 infected 啊。
係啦，但我去啊，就變嘅呀。
啊。
呀，OK，南西 yes， 南西對。南西對，我真正借，我要聽一，哇，點解我 forum 咪嚟叫？
我同你講，唔係，我唔想 understand 咯，你係禪正咯，我叫咯，學人講嗰度。就 what's wrong with gay？ 聽咪，so long you enjoy my air 啦，關鍵是 gay 嗰時 straight 嗰時咪會咁冇。
But yes, that's my education opportunity, right? That is when I have my the activism of me is like when I want to present myself, I want to better give you the whole self and not just a 咁薄啊！你看了時間嚟 deny 啊，唔知係唔係？我都嗌到嚟買就算 ，because I know this is gonna be for a long run。我 show 就係真正久嘅，所以我唔使講啊，正片下邊。And我 already out 嘅電影啊，嗬 ，I'm not going back into the closet, please。
你我梅魯啊，在哪梅魯？Okay。I want to learn from your parents. Because 你內兄弟本是 gay 嘛。
對。
咁冇。So 你 at first 你 parent 伊人是安怎？樣是先伊人是安怎呢？樣知嘅。
Like when you find out about 我人。
When they find out, yes. 哦，啷解講嘅是。
Okay, so what I can tell you after so many years, 我 sum up 我 summary. So sorry 我講就係English is because 我冇咩關係用。福建話嚟講嘅即係 topic。But 我感覺到伊人做咩事會接受，就是因為伊人為想到頭一條，唔是想到伊人家己生，伊是想到伊人嘅囝子。So when 我人 come out 對伊人，我 come out 就是嗰時，伊感覺到伊激心唔是激心，我人是嘅，特別伊激心是講我人 go through 20幾年嘅 struggle， 伊無機會嚟，伊人無機會嚟 guide 我人，無機會嚟甲人講 it's okay。So to me 是伊人想到嘅是我人有歡喜無歡喜，伊無去想到講哦，就是看人講你無好啦，蝦米物件你無好，伊想到嘅是伊 focus 是我人囝子，伊唔是 focus 到伊人家己。現在啲人opposed to the idea of your children coming out 是因為伊人為咗伊人家己嘅面子。
伊人
安怎交代？安怎去甲人交代？咁做無變我安怎交代？咱小條係一條線，但我嘅爸母頭一句話講就是，哎喲，你 go through all that， 我人做爸母無到底你身邊。
特別John，我會問你，伊人唔捌講聽伊人有到時候會驚孫。
OK， 無喎 ，because 我一路來 from 細漢起，我就講阿媽講 ，I don't think 我被傳播。
媽是 OK， 教你講媽是 OK。
我爸唔 OK， 我爸就超咧，我爸是最酷嘅人嚟。
可能爸是淡薄得啦，媽是完全冇得嘅。
Well， 我 parents 吧，我講唔是我 parents 唔是 typical Asian parents， so 伊人 again 伊人想到對我歡喜，但是講伊人袂驚字啊，做我人我都買驚字硬硬做，互伊歡喜來袂有驚字，伊人本是感覺到我袂歡喜咯，所以伊人無愛做，所以伊人想對我人歡喜無歡喜是頭一條咯，佢講人愛我人。愛人知唔知講我自己，還是我袂有驚，還是安怎咯 ？Of course， 我明白講 ，Yeah，if I'm straight， I'm sure they would expect 個孫啊，那款啊。But to them，what is the priority？ priority 是伊人嘅囝子嘅歡喜，唔是 whether 人係做阿公啊做阿媽。Of course， 我 feel 到係講yang 有 choice, of course yang boleh lah, but they realize the choice is better for me to be happy than it is for them to be happy, to want to have grandchildren.
即係教了做爸母嘅，把都聽條嘅，就俾愛去 聽了愛想者吼。
對。
I mean 聽掉嘅爸母啦，I mean 甲了做了爸母嘅人是。
對，你人我咪就你做對你做乜嘅人係，我俾再講 about before 人冚大，要試差唔多點整 ，maybe I split 咗 two show， split 咗 two shows 先 ，OK， 咗 2 hours。that means what at the end 我就俾 record 你 opening and closing。特別係我俾每兩款，你講啲 advice 啊 ，for those 人嘅這邊嘅人㗎了，嗰是參嘅人，你按怎 advice 什麼先唔使講，你俾再講會了解你件事，好像要件事你件事歡喜些。你俾按怎 advice 人 ？What advice would you give a parents with gay children or QQ children?
What? Just love them for who they are, you know. Because I think that if you know them, you fail as a parent lah. Because you know that parents like you are supposed to love your children ma. And if you can't even do that, then you know what sort of parent are you?
Any other advice for parents? Okay, why advice is you be careful what you say, even when they're young. Because you say 漢嘅時啊，你特別有英文有一個學有你嘅家庭特別是一個可以讓 feel 就是一個 safe place。冇插你當今你驚是 gay 唔是？你別使講 treat them like straight until they are gay. Then okay, then I'll change it. You always have to like them and treat them and love them as who they are. Doesn't matter if gay or straight 本好。So that 伊人會 grow up 嘅時候，伊人會被 feel 就講，我唔敢對厝，甲爸母講 the struggle。
就是下咧第一坎坷啦，嗰時爸母你要安怎，你就被 control 伊人嘅家己嘅 upbringing， 伊人家己嘅 background。所以你嘅爸母你細漢時，你若是聽到你嘅爸母啊罵人啊。哎呀，我第一件啲試查某型，
偷阿瓜過嚟，
偷阿瓜，先，你若是聽到下你細漢時，若是聽到安尼款，你就驚頭先咯。
Yep. That's my advice is
對唔對
？Be careful.
屌你媽！邊係講
？Because 這裡壞了你咪。
你把鏡歪。
你特別拗住你起來淡薄，拗起來淡薄，一切嚟出嚟。
想問你咧，我是無 stop， 我會驚，伊suka 會驚。你是講伊suka pink color， 而且伊suka你講我一陣是藍色嘅喎，我聽講我冇個藍色嘅。Fine to me， 我唔係講哦。
這裡是阿 John， 這裡是頭嘅，這是我哋都這是頭嘅，這是媽媽。這裡是毛毛菇，媽咪白毛毛菇，媽咪白咯。
我未講佢 limit 講伊經下面食，是伊suka 唔驚，但係講伊suka little pony， 你 OK 啦。
Because actually 你家驚嗬，頂到人家驚個當今家驚無相啊。你家驚，你家人 value， 你家人be compassionate， 家人 about something deeper than 打波特別去踢 football， 打波特別去加做咩啊？我唔知。
查某就俾佢煮物件，
就是啊。你當今你 value 特別較 broad， 你特別講樣較 deep 嘅 value， 你嘛想講是囡仔所以講一個 simple 物件，你會使講樣較 deep 嘅物件。
Of course 都會講，即係食是冇打波嘅食，即係查某嘅食，安尼款。特別你唔使講，
你是這安尼無好了，你袂使講安尼款嘅物件。
特別你袂使 force 伊講，你特別愛經下面食。是因為你識我係家己 confuse， 伊講我suka pink喎，特別安怎呢？咁冇意啦，所以特別即係 pink 是搞到人講是查某食嚟喎。然後我會家講 ，it's up to you， 你愛經 pink 垃圾 pink 水，咪也 pink 咯。 因為我有嚟朋友因為看到講，你好你驚情啊，你無驚咩？伊是打波嚟喎，打波嘛打波啦，伊做咩別情咩
？Really, NS 是真係 one pack mine
Yeah.
少年歪，人本有啊，少年鬼歪，別人本定經本是真。
Yeah, that's you have to make an effort to do that. But we wawa baru message 話，recording 是幾日啊？
但都齋小時咧。
依個叫咪做啊？嗬，我叫係recording 是幾日？แล้วanother thing, okay, what else? What advice and economy? Because okay, why concern here? What even ever since what come out, and then what? That's another reason why what we out to the public is the steps, the path that what giang law. One night drink. I feel the young gay people or QQ, anybody QQ, if they don't have to take all the just go straight to it. That's why I want to share what I passed so that you go, oh, okay, remember what我講我想講我係幾人成日看呢 when you exposed to 較濟人嘅事情，我只係播 podcast online 只係 even though 本來學嘅唔好，有人 privately email 我講 oh my gosh, I thought I was the only one 下面物件 so when what out is there's a certain value to it, even if it's one person that you touch, do already make a huge difference on that person's life. And whether or not you come out but if you go, they're not alone. And then the next thing is what hurts me the most is young people killing themselves because they cannot deal with it because the safest place,你感覺第一安全嘅所在就是讓自己出來人自己爸母，但是伊感覺第一爸母未接受伊人來講嗬，伊人無為走嘅時，有嚟走去自殺，係你是我第一心情。
最好最好就是咪有一個責任和 public， 對到自己有責任就好啦。
係咪嘅？
即是講，有責任予家己，無予責任予外口，莫去看安怎講外口人安怎看你。Yes, and then of course， 你對你家己 parents 最好呢，就是你家講咯。
最好啊，只要嚟家講先最好。
對，啊啦，有那是你嘅 situation allow 啦 ，because 我頭時邊我本是有差唔多㗎。But after what come out here, I think after what out within a year and a half, maybe 1年 slightly over a year. 冇差唔多1年嘅，可能我都 come out to my parents 啊。Because 人妹，我 already 開始我都 start 拍拖嘅 Bruce 嘛，所以我成日我係 tricksy。Eventually 我再講我被。Because it's such a precious thing for me, when why relationship, I want to be able to 會話嚟啊，歡迎，你做廣告呀？
我做廣告。
對，你未記啊？
佢哋頭呢？
我是未記啦，我是未記，我未記，我是第四。แล้วกับวันโห啦。你個 food 嘅咯，
你 food review 係
對。
哦。But anyway， 我就會講。
安怎講下面？
但我講咩啊？我講一半。Oh yeah. Okay. Bruce, what feel the why a happiness? Why a part of why a companion 係你why a partner? It's a huge part of my life, right? Look, companion or somebody that make you happy. Of course, I feel like I want to share that with my parents. So what the personally 講，我咪成日講keep it a secret from them. So 我頭個講我個 Bruce 我去吹 Bruce 係咩物件。Every weekend 我去吹 Bruce 我教我 parents 講佢得this weekend 我去吹 Bruce 係咩物件？this weekend Bruce 嚟吹我係咩物件？你就每位個我 parents sneaky 走去每位個，最是 Bruce 啊！ make sure your friend okay 啊，伊參呢隻，安尼隻 ，because 我是第四行嘅嘛。So 我個就講 ，okay good opportunity let's come out together。我個講噶啦，我講 when the time comes let's do it together。安尼咯，就頭白我能 actually 用 email because 我能特別講嘛。But a benefit to emailing is 你有點聲可以人笑。So 你嘅 the reaction that I remembered is the reaction that I read. Maybe between that time until ilang email reply in a few hours, ilang maybe will react negatively, but then realize that that was impulse or that was like wrong, and then the email response was corrected or rectified. So at least there is an opportunity. The memory that I have of the coming out experience is so much better because there's time for them to process on their own, then reply to us.
可能我某年要去食一頓好食愛生，但係我 reply 咯。
佢就哎呦，咁樣去食榴蓮城。
香港嗰邊係和榴蓮咯。
哦，唔要緊啦，我唔是講真係小榴蓮。
不過我甲你講，成日講你講物件我嗬，我 I think 最近我有 experience 到，就是講我 parents 有成日講叫你我本啊。
妹女真係冇教應啊！你食邊個話？
我背除掉好啱嘅喎。
你教應個？
你之後間講都背除掉好啱。
所以人講哈咪除掉好啱，我講我是愛食好啱嘅喎，我唔是愛食好嘅。แล้วอี人就講對唔對？แล้วI think from there I have already given them a hint แล้ว I think my mother get 到係咪意思咯？So 伊人 of course 伊人未現實接受咯，就伊人未現實接受啦，伊會少會打講你對一道伊就問你一道，對一道就問你一道嚟講，我可以。answer 本啦，我本可以想 answer 啦，แล้ว有一日啊是我有甲我媽仔講，我講有物件被逼咯，แล้ว我本咪去害人咯，就都because 我下掉嘅 example 就係講我身邊嘅假設是 already 是married 嘅啦嘛，แล้ว married แล้วอี人個找出來。
你是講OK， 錯啊，再講個其實嘢特別教嚇 ，to cover up 然後啦。
所以我有講，我咪有安尼款嘅情形發生啦。我咪安尼款嘅情形發生住我，所以我rather安款咯，我陪我自己咯，我安尼款嚟講咯。
我另外就go ahead finish your thought。
so balik 伊會較 accept 啦，你看啦。
It takes time 啦 ，because 你若是講let's say 你睇10年、20年 feel comfortable to come out，你都 expect 你 parents over one conversation 嚟 accept 你本啊。Because 又唔是講見到，是講伊人 already build up 呢幾年 certain expectation 啊，要俾換 expectation，就俾 give them some time 們。
係咯。
我俾每路人about dating scene in Malaysia 有 because 正當我把教會話我傾過，人講到成啊，真派找到 companion 啊 ，like real relationship。Gay scene especially particularly 我唔知 lesbian scene 我唔知 but at least lang 講
係啦我看來咧就係講原來學嘅咧 a few of them 就การคุยกันติดตาโหอะไรฟังน่ะlike แบบว่าแล้วมีหลักแค่น่ะโอเค but ตัวว่า
circle
ตัวว่า circle 嚟看咧少時就真正亂嘅真正亂咯。
Actually, I always feel that is not a gay thing or a straight thing. That's a people thing.
Behavior 嚟。
人嚟講，但是講你講人嚟講，你學少人咯，and then 就係講較 serious 嘅，就是講白魯嘅情形，是講就係講我殺 can 啊，或者是講都比較特別接受講 you another one or then three of them together 啊，你講我被接受啊，你看你面見。
That means Lu a circle of friends is not the right circle.
You know? So,
Roger.
But the thing is, Lu commonly 嚟講，我就係講，但Lu commonly 個 Facebook 嘅 group 又好啦 ，Line 啊 WeChat 嘅 group 又好，佢哋有人講你平。
Yeah, you know what? Okay, I always tell this. We will always because you are in it. Lu成個Lu tadi chui 兩邊，Lu surrounded by it here. Lu成個 of course to Lu是成個 Lu that is the norm. But when you step outside from this circle, because in that say I'm not judging because I have friends who are in a
non-monogamous.
Yeah, non-monogamous, open relationship and everything. Yeah, and that's fine. It's like that. It's all up to them to deal with, right? You don't have to answer to anybody, right? Do both form and So, Lu, that's up to you. But when Lu, typically when Lu one committed relationship, a circle. Typically, yang bo key within that Lu circle tu cha. So Lu to be expand Lu horizon and bo go outside of Lu typical because Lu kwade kalau lu ane of course Lu circle Lu di kwade is siang a group by.
Can I comment about what you are okay, again like what John Kong is within the group that the time because furthermore, being gay, this is convenient for us because, like the book, we're not tied down by marriage or anything, or even society as so-called heterosexual society as standards. That cannot try to sleep around something. But again, I think sometimes it's the friends that you hang around with. There are groups that are, they are in more healthy activities. Then there are groups that are, into sleeping around and more broader, tolerance about this promiscuity lah. Okay, so like you said, go join there's certain people who or people who just go find a relationship, but just maybe don't give up. There are people out there.
Yeah, don't give up.
Oh, but anh có tiếng comment?
Sorry, what to go on 冇聽着。
To go.
你講後面 sorry 我哋都，你講後面。
我一直講we were in a circle that most people are more promiscuous If I'm not too judgmental using the word okay, but I said that even in Penang there are groups, of people who are also looking to settle down. Also, just you just need to look more carefully.
你未使 generalize， 我講是人個了是一人嘅款。人 gay 嘅人本是上加 straight 嘅人，有嘅佢跳嘅，有嘅靠上加我講書本啦，上加愛一人爾，了來愛女愛人愛女爾，唔係愛別人嘅。So 你有安尼款嘅啦 ，so 第一件事你是下面會款嘅人，你特別較少別人嘅 feelings 啦。
Yeah, I saw it. 除咗對啱女人咯，Lucy,我是較 I'm very liberal in that sense. It's up to you. I mean, whatever works. So 除咗對if you circle, 咁了是
promiscuous.
Prefer open relationships and everything, then go beyond that. But sometimes the problem that I see for Viviwa is that how do you find that circle is the problem, right?
Sorry?
How do you find those people?
係啦，伊是冇辦法，是講機莫隨機咯，無你要機去隨佢機 ，right？
But I'm sure there's still I'm still
嗱，先我不รู้是按怎講咧？我不รู้成少談咯，แล้ว我
focus on I mean other aspect of your life lah.
Focus on my job and also my blog.
And sometimes it's a good. That's a healthier way when you're not looking. The best one will come to you because when you're desperate, you see.
人會注意，人會感覺。你
是講咩？你話你講咩？
我 feel 就講 after 我 focus on my blog 啦，嗬。Then 變做我點先變少啲。
Yeah, but who cares, right?
歡喜就好。
變做
人咩？
แล้ว變做變做有個人講話冇點寫背啊，冇點寫背衣啊，點樣嘅款啊，所以當見。
That means that he's not the right person.
But meanwhile 當見我是single 咯，不要緊。但我聽過條長衫啦，嗬，แล้ว
我會記嘅嗰條長衫。
係來對我都知哦，當邊咧學緊你 dinner 啦。
哎呦，佢真係 desperate 了。我講你聽，Vivi 爸爸過來時，咱嗰陣播教時，咱就請嘅時候，伊就一百下佢穿咗嗰條長衫咧，後坐條 speedboat 來啊，係唔？Tapi siapa kan lah, Vivi bawa mang lu focus on something beyond that, bigger than try to try. Because sometimes the desperation is like that lor. I feel the relationship 會諗想，伊真正 attached to relationship 就，你 feel the relationship completes you 了咋？即係變到你 always 係一個真正大條樹咁樣款啊。When you focus on 你自己，別人就 attract to you 啦。
順其自然。
你看有嚟查甫嗬，伊達到 attract 到 married man 嘅喎，你達到做生意嘅。
啊，對，少。
啊，本有哋知，我查有啲朋友你看你嗰陣，意思講，伊就是伊無心愛娶 married man 嘅，但伊達到就是和 married man 撈掉。
Because he feel because married men they offer something different because ilang from in a relationship okay 即人講人講 okay 人對 this straight heterosexual society and norm and everything so monogamy and all that okay it's only on the outside that it appeared that way please straight men monogamy please they have to not to say that there are none of them, but 真正濟人看到哦，伊是教應啊，所以唔是真正 please。
伊人本知道啦，
打波就是打波啦，
打波就冇啦，上嘅啦，唔是而家衰跟上嘅啦，上一鋪起來。
我啱冇明白。
伊冇明白啊，會唔會話嘛 ？That means 你真濟人講做咩事？Gay society 嗬，and
係 promiscuous，
promiscuous 嘅真正kalau 去吹冇。
呢兩隻錯你啦，呢兩隻係啊分啦。
我對我嚟講，我 straight 嘅 straight，總之是打波，伊有嗬，伊就是有了喂。伊唔關是 straight or gay。
That's another factor. Male sexuality 冇上加查某嘅 sexuality 咯。
要 male 是被背但係背較濟。
嗯。
對，並非我會講啊，冇並非我對佢 explain 嘅咯。
唔係我等你先嚟定，我咧都教我講。
OK。
這 speedboat 嚟是。
我這上班嘅 speedboat。
過準。
喂，過準啊！條俾炸機殺過啊！
唔係啦，肯定 tsunami 啊來少。
大知道冇 tsunami。一起坐小烏蘇南米。
娃娃，你应该对我人期望的，本来福建的多了，小你 food blog 啊。
多啲，
多，咱其實咱 announce 幾時啊？8號、9號、10號。
哎呦，安尼地節啊！
攞咩？
伊波攝呢？一百未百。
Hello。
特別我冇插入啦，我冇插入係去咪去，我是講嗱是講你對灣去講你嗰陣時你 blog 嘛，我人去食 from Penang 食去吉隆坡食嘅都係 Penang 嘛。
有你對嗱就係 blog 試下咯就。
特別我單都地節咧。
係你另外啦，係你另外。
我你冇教我傾，講嚟講。
對，你冇 contact 我咧。
嚟啊，諾根。
究竟แล้วติดปิ้งเก่าไก่หลังแล้วคุยกันกับโค้ชเขาอีก
ทำไม่มีแกว่าที่ไม่เดียวลูกก็ไม่เสียสักที่สัมปันนั่นบินลูกก็เลยเสียก้องกุย
ลูกแค่ว่าก้องต้องกินปิ้งเข่งไก่เดียวหลังต้องก้องว่าเดียวหลังสิกันแล้วคุยกันถึงจะโค้ชเขาอีกเกี่ยวกับไลฟ์
Yeah, I mean, yes. I mean, Lucy Gala, why? What is
the definition of whole?
Yeah, what is whole? Yes.
A definition of the whole. Look at definition. What's the definition?
ในความโน้ตอ่างแล้วในความโอ้คุยดีในความสิ่ง
Yeah, if Lu yeah, I mean, of course, relationship is relationship. Relationship it has to be worked on. But yeah, other than that, yes, I'm very happy. แต่เป็นเรื่องไปช่วยตัวงามไปหลังเนาะ What's if you the luckiest thing for my relationship is that we both are looking for the same thing. That's compatibility is the hardest thing to find. Because that's sexual compatibility. There's like personality compatibility. That's the elements that become together. Look at it. But sometimes
dietary compatibility.
Actually dietary 冇咯。我係教我啱是個食以前啊阿冇食我成個食我特別是個食個另外食食唔食特別我是個食你等人食冇是個食誒你食正係講冇比冇傻。Well, so but you work on it. Everything is not perfect, but we're happy together when 我做只事，我講歡喜。I trust him, he trusts me. I love him, he loves me. So that's good lah. To me, I also the expectation 不忙小關啦，微微娃娃。特別 I always feel 到，係咪嘅？你條件小關係講句，你先冇好事講句。
No，對。
你又未聽得清楚啊！
我唔知你講咩話話啲聲。
嗰時愛真係 highly sexy。
哇！
以後可能咯。
所以隨便條一看介相，你看你講嘅嘛，咁冇 because 冇 right and wrong 啦。
對。
會講介相嘅興趣，然後會人講，是唔是行路啊？行路啊？
即係男仔講嚟講話同男仔講。
Okay, let's go into it. Let's get into it. Okay, we only have about 10 minutes to go because somebody else is coming in.
聽冇？
乜嘢博傾嘅？
Sorry.
哇！咁好嘢喂！我啲做極，舊話講佢做極嘛，所以睇到。Immature 係咩啊？
嚇 ？Immature？係
咪
immature？
你講係咩嘢？
我講 next show 是住兩 show 啊。I think 是。Oh my god, we went on for only 2 hours. Oh no. Is that right? Oh no! Wait, what time is the next show? I think next show is. Okay, well, you guys continue. Okay, I'll keep check on because what might take over the feed the group.
講話是南西嚟呀，
我嚟啦。
哈呀。
是啦，我哋了解你嘛。
啊啦，對啦，你成了解我了。
我就知啊。啊，冇 right and wrong 啦，所以你嘛 go for 迄個特。
主隻較地嗬是地鬼話誒，所以我地接是。
冇咩經驗是唔是？
哦，แล้วดูอันฟังตัวแล้วสิเดียวมา
น่ะแพทเทิร์นน่ะบ่夠謝
經驗特別 train 你嘛
train 咯
微娃娃是你是屬較少年是唔是？還是少年屬較你？
我較老誒
哦，那
每 experience 誒有 skill 誒
每一間咯，每一個D2 or D2 加英國中。那邊就吹唔掉啦，你煲啦，你煲，我會自己吹掉你自己嘅，你咪去自己吹老嘢。
阿 John，
喂，
阿 John， 錯咗阿 John， 英國人是屬較老嘅，所以冇咁。
對啦，我是叫人 discuss 個 Android 去吹老嘅。
Android 去吹啊？哎呀，我係先這裡請啊。
ก็แผ่นหอจะนำตู้เดียวเขาใส่แล้วจะเสียนแล้วอ่ะ
就是啦，你 of course 你去吹，你去參加你後生做啫，你人真去吹鬧嘅。
冇我只係 Facebook 一直嘅自己好多嚟 at y 後生。
你咪變插意咯。
Hello。OK， 但係冇你 example 就是講上特別有我就係 hook up 嘅 apps 嘛，對，所以話看講你可以隨到隻 hook up 嘅 apps 咯，但是講你買你後生，你買上嚟 download Grindr 咩用你 Jack 啊
，OK 啦，
阿開。
嗱，我寫咩
啊？你啊 ，actually 我哋都啊嘛，你在無馬來西亞你被吹彈。
他們嘅所有條路。
馬來西亞
等，我人講話，I think 微講掉，微話等陣，英國中講咩？
冇，我俾講我哋都聽馬來西亞嘅位，你若是 log in 用馬來西亞嘅 IP 啊 ，in other words 你用馬來西亞嘅 provider， 你被 connect กับ Silver Daddies 啊，我 key 俾先。
哦 ，Silver Daddies is an app 啊，or website？
No, Silver Daddies 是website。
One of my friends, they always like to hook up with the Silver Daddies coming to Malaysia.
Silver Daddies
你特別用 VPN 用馬來西亞嘅稱呼 ban Silver Daddies。
哎呦，唔是 ban Silver Daddies 啦，呢就係even like Planet Romeo 啊，呢啲咪still ban 你嘛。But as long as you have say VPN, then you access to all these websites.
用 VPN 嚇。
OK， 當拔刀嘅時間，微話人就用啊。OK， 咱去食車嘅時間，人就用 please 可能除咗老翁，冇嘅時兩個少年人除誒。微話若是有少年人除你啊，你就俾真正歡喜，你就講 at least 個有人愛，你就。
啊，
你嗱我別照顧人嘛，
你冇啦 ，at least 就係講你因為你冇就係講又唔是。potential 不好，你再講 at least 有人愛咯，咁你較衰就是人少年唔買老，唔買下時就衰咯。
我少年，你買少年，特別老嘅買路。
你特別除掉啦 ，find the right circle，internet makes it so easy。
Even the clubs everything 嘅時候咪是講快喎，你入邊就係 club 咯。
That's why 我กับลูกก็นะต้องกินปรุงไทยแล้วหรอทีนั้นเขาแก้เนี่ยอุตส่าห์ไอ้เฉยว่าไอ้แต่เฉยว่า
เป็นไงเขาแก้ circle นะเสฟังค่าควาคิดตัวนี่เลย proper 嘅 circle
ลูกไอ้是老嘛，ลูกไอ้是成熟啦，唔是老啦，好似咩老家先俾10歲咧。
嗱，人講掉。
如果掉目前俾10歲啦。
你講掉阿公嘛？你講阿公嗰邊做乜事
？AAK。
哎呀，公啊！誒，等陣我俾帶佢嗱，是講你 share 啦，冇估，你個 ICN 得白嘅。
online 咯。冇啦，冇pasar malam lah，mana pasar malam online lah。 pasar malam dia kamu ha.
冇唔是，即係 Vivi 媽媽特別把什麼咧嚟浪嘅嘅，唔是 Vivi 媽媽，媽媽姑，其實特別嚟浪話咧，I see I 嚟看到一條路啊，呢個看到八件哦，哎呀3塊半，哎呀貴啦，2塊半喲，你講 OK 啦，2塊一個女啦 ，OK 啦，
原來是2塊貴，
未啊就傻咧，冇攤興啊，這回，
冇攤氣啊，
誒，南西一包豆豉該3塊半。
係啦，歪個件。
哎呀！
阿 John，你有捌經驗咩？你看無？我去美國嘅時候，我甲我朋友也袂過身啫。咱佇坐咯，佇食嘅時，咱甲了朋友啦，咱佇講話，然後伊人講，伊人袂邊啊，你安怎拄着你嘅朋友？所以一人講啦，所以一人講我去一個站板是那出名的啊，我找人去。然後嗰一個講，我去桑拿，就拄着伊啲嘅 steam room 啦，伊來幫我嘅卡啦。然後嗰一個講，我去伊個花園，然後伊互我看伊個人，哇，我就愛伊啦咯。然後每來搞我係朋友時，我梗係見笑一句，我買講俾人聽。Actually 是我係香港本地善婦介紹人嘅，見笑一句。
So cute！ sekarang may compare ka lang ha?
Hala,
bisa compare.
I expect something hot and saucy and juicy.
Hala, saucy.
It's like,好笑。Okay, 差唔多。哎呦 ，OK recording，我 recording fast skip 去另外一個啊 ，because 當時幾條，我唔知差唔多2點鐘嘅。所以我特別差唔多要看大，我只要報唱歌，看完來人為我要報唱嘅物件，除了拍廣告嘅機嚟浪。
哇！
為我要吹阿
John，
嚇到嘅。
阿 John 都別問伊讀書，發現咗伊是
QQ。
啊，
其實伊未出事就知啊。為話你其實學個再講你嘅 QQ。
我是落來細漢啊，就打咗咯。幾歲啊？然後看得多啊，那款啩。
看得多。
本時啊，講開本時啊咯，
我睇邊啊玩啦。
你6歲。
你話講開。
安怎知啊？意思講，咱安怎知？意思講，咱是暑假打波，嗰時講到人安怎會知？
哇！呢時我就想我講埋，呢時即唔是 sexual 嘅呢時。我just 我講看。
誒，我講啲是 baby 嘅事。
阿 John 應該係細啩。
呢時比較 sex 嘛，所以我是講你必須要看。你看咧，What the day in disguise？ 你講你成，你 feel 你成話頭咯，即你 feel 係
點樣跳？哈，之後你個做起嚟，哎呦死成個你成個哎呦，你變
冇料字咯，都冇料字，都其實做格冷嘅嘛，字結哦。
What experience start from standard two 的 start
standard two 是安怎知？是因為你 fall in love with 一個 boy or
I think
what standard two 啊是
啊，你安怎會知？
我是可能當會咯。
哦。
耶
！Means what? Yeah.
諗下 discuss 過啊，會唔會話？I mean privately 咁講過啦，特別唔知你 publicly 咪講過啊。
我嘛 standard two、standard three 嘅時，甲我朋友去邊爛。
我乜做啊？你看咯 ，all this while。I mean, never got friends 講去邊爛啊？係 I show you, you show me 啊。
咱本是無看啦，咱本是當嘅，咱當嘅，望嘅。
哦 ，exploration。
哈。
Compare。Yeah。
แล้วสิ because of อันนี้ควันลังก็ใจor actually before men อันนั้น try
before 啦 before
yeah before 是就咁我講較早時間即係 before 你接來南西我諗講嘅是就是你嘅 attraction 啊是你 feel 我講咩啊你 you're drawn to it 成啊你唔知伊唔是 sexual 但係面唔是無 feel 嘅 sexual 特別你成啊哇你就是成啊 attracted by 係你打波誒成褲加還是變 actually 我南西哈哈
真係型呢看到一蕊水嘅花安尼看呢
即 natural 咯，你看到係咪一蕊水
花？花啦，好花，好蕊花，你看啦，咁蕊咪就水嘅花咯。
好了。但係時喎，我都看電視啊，你看戲啊，你是看打波，是會看打波
誒。是咯，咪是大媽講嘅咯，看波呢是看打波，無看雜波嘅咯。
So for 一個 straight man，
好啦，咁細係咪是冇要看波嘛？
誒頭看老爸了嘛？
รู้เนี่ย啦咧咁配啊不男細你講 straight
man。I mean for 一個 straight man，伊會看到。夠人上嘅 experience 一看到，特別伊個冇感覺咯，冇感覺嘛哦，所以伊袂記直直想了嘅嘛。
上個我人看到查某嘅時，你看啊，我人無先哦，介水呢，誒無穿衫，看哦介水呢，你看伊配嘅皮膚介骨，你無去看講哇，伊個做 excited 啊，係咪咯？
但係我每個人嗬，有講成日講 straight A，then in the end he turn into gay
or I mean, you both turn you might realize, but you both turn into gay. You might.
I think 嗰時候講我係 friend 嚟講嗬。So 我發現啦嚇咧 is straight 嘅啦，咧有個 friend 啦，然後 in the end 我計搶回來，然後
哇，好了
，to gay or
well, okay, so there's several explanations. There's many explanations. Only a friend can tell you what it ultimately is. He could be bisexual. He could be a closeted gay. A closeted gay. So it's up to him. But it's not important though. The thing is, it's not the label that is important. It's knowing yourself and whether or not you're happy with that person if you want to talk about relationship.
But actually, John, what you say theory lah. I mean, I think many of us say about Kinsey scale, right?
Yeah.
I think the current belief about Kinsey scale is that sexuality is actually fluid.
Yeah.
Yeah, people you can according to your age, you can be this way or that way. And also, then maybe as you go older, you actually settle down onto it, or maybe not.
Yeah.
人唔是干那一行，還是八行，人是參。
clear 嚇。
人是淡薄這裡，淡薄下裡，淡薄下裡。所以你看一人啊。有較濟像個 interest 個打波，還是伊個打波有較濟 interest 個打波，是安尼款樣啊！伊淡薄參咩？
我呢邊逼你 scale 我講嘅 scale。
冇明白。
Okay，到底先講到底正手邊是 straight 啦，that means totally 100%。是heterosexual， 你打波嚟講，你是干那是個查某呢？打波你看到一把條是無波行嘅 ，OK， 無線無條無波行嘅。Then 查某不 ，on the other side of the scale 咧，一直扎，你看到到這邊是100%，另外一邊是0%，是個查某是 attracted 100% to gay， 所以你干那看到查某完全無興趣無咩咯。Then the rest of 人嘅了是 fall between 佢哋兩個 extreme。對。都有可能嚟講啦，話 how many percent? Actually, well, I quite believe in this. So that makes labeling a little bit less important, you know.
我係這裡是有影正嘅 ，because 我有家己經驗了，我係並。 平人嚟除我時啊，伊人知我讀 out 了，我讀出來了，所以伊人知我是安怎款，所以伊人打波啊，免插哈咪幾歲半免插啊，伊人若是知我是安怎款啊，伊人較會講話嘅話，安怎款嘅物件，所以即個人啊，伊人是甲了，伊人是你想講，伊人是 straight 嘅啦，伊人是搞事甲查甫，特別伊人有真一濟。伊人有真係一 question 啫啊！你每次我都猜了，伊入面伊個心，伊人就會想到了。
Yeah, but those on the extreme hetero scale 嚟嚇。
伊人本無插，伊人是無插嘅。
啊，你是無插誒？你無去想無 interest，所以
無想到嚇。
明白我明白嗎？
盤期啊！
Yeah, we have about 3 more minutes, 3 minutes before we have to go off the feed. Hello, everybody. Good morning, everybody. George in Atlanta. Good humor penguin. Yes, Samadu. Everybody, hi, Alex. Oh, Ellen from Texas. Ed Chan, of course, has been here all morning. Rambo Redhead is coming up. We are wrapping up my Penang Hokkien podcast portion of this. We've been recording for almost 3 hours. Yes, that's how we chat. Okay, let's go back to that and finish up our conversation before we go back to Pride 48 with Rambo Redhead.
Oh, đó là bình thường Pride 48 là
Adoy, look at mong cha cha nè lo.
Baru kunci.
Baru cakap mong cha cha. So Luis, okay, let's talk about that for the final thing, last thing. Lu put yourself. Let's say lang kong, Kenzie skills si yung hami. Let's say lang yung percentage ay kong kaing lao kai.
Na click on what was 下隻 link 度係邊啊？
我都差不多俾可能看是冇，你會 share screen 可能看。
等陣啊！
較近 call 啦，伊個即個，咱講
我用 iPad 呢，我未做嚟看。
等陣我打。
我 share。
แล้ว我講啊，你較濟啊，即個homophobic 嘅人啊，要去拍嘅人嘅，伊人啊是較濟，伊人知入邊伊人嘅心有淡薄嘅QQ。
哈，
แล้ว伊人
半 Q。
哈，伊人半 Q 本，伊人無暑假，伊人驚。
OK，所以咱看即，若是講狂交幾，伊是狂交六啊？
嚇！
狂交六
呢，辣到冇夠啊！
辣是苦啊嘛。
辣是苦啦 ，according to his skill。所以嚟講辣就係，嚟 quickly before 嚟 feed 兩個鐘頭很正個。Why scale? I think it's okay. Which way is what? Heterosexual is on the left, right? Okay. So I think 6.
What?
6
maybe 5.9.
What's
No. I think okay. I have to be 6. Oh, 4.5. I think I have to be 6 because I have no interest. But if I'm forced to, I could probably still function. But that's not because I'm attracted to it. It's because of the physical content and all that. So I think I'm a 6. Lang leh? 4.5. 4.5 in Gotiong. You're 6, okay, good. And
4.8. What's your 4.8?
John.
Yes, tao ghé.
One guy is 6 long.
6, okay, good. Wiwi Wawa?
6.
Wiwi Wawa 7. 7.
Out of skill.
Okay. Mama go quick.
6.
Mama go quick. 6. Okay. Alright, thank you everybody. Okay, let's have the show video. Concerned about 8 seconds now. Okay, thank you everybody for participating in the chat room long the hangout stay, huh? For those who are in the Pride 48 chat room, thank you for hanging out. Thank you, Ed Chen, for doing so. I'm gonna go offline now so that Rambo Redhead can come on. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, ilang pa? Tabi lang.
Yêu, chị bay đi kìa.
Sayang buddy. Okay.
我係拍隻功課啫。
拍。
等下，我係 share screen 咁落，呢個 C。
係咩嘅？
等下咗。你
一隻是人來。OK，拜拜，微微拜拜。
OK，拜。
咗啦，見咩嗰個 recording 係你一度嘅比較嚇。
咱播唱嚟使。
OK，等陣我 try 下。OK。Can you see this?
Yes. Yes.
On my screen. On my screen, can you see it?
Yes.
Auditor. Very off story 我已經做咗啦哇。
Okay, please let your friends know. Okay, actually I run the anonymous HIV service for gay men. So let's have a look at another one. That's.
Auditor.
This is the details about it. On the first and third Friday of the month, is at the NGO office in Para Road. Okay, so it's open for all gay men, no? Okay, but anyone whatever sexuality also.
Okay. So it's open for everybody lah.
Yes.
你使加你這個 capture screens for 好啊，我係使幫到啲位 when the show goes live 時我係使幫到啲 website. But wait, what day though?
First and third Friday.
So it's an ongoing thing, right? So I is post. Okay.
Yes, we have been going on for many years.
Look, how le no le screen through an email.
Okay.
Or WhatsApp 會使。
Sure.
Auditor 我被 message 錄 privately 錄我安裝 message 錄。
我知啦。
一冇個 number。John
我 share 那你 message
你 share 下一陣咯。哎呀。Do I see the page here? John, share my number 和一個咯。
Okay, I will.
呀，唔走了，我驚發燒。
Okay.
Bye, Namsa.
Bye.
Okay，等陣我琴喂你，我琴 end 嘅 show 啊，感謝各位聽眾收聽，希望我哋較了解淡薄人 QQ 嘅人嘅生活。Boy, I'm Boy Daddy, love you, Boy. 哎呦，
ช่วย
不多要，哇，不多要了。
我到咗成行啊！แล้วก็希望咧，到底係少聽我人把隻禮拜講嘅話題啦，個隻要見就是讓佢去報名人嘅食請，就會咁樣去學類啊，較早人學類嘅人有攤special gift 啊，แล้วก็有我人嘅多嘅。本期報名我嚟多檳城福建多，我嚟 website 咧幫嘢就是 penanghokkien.com/dinner， 還是 penanghokkien.com/tour， 之內咧就是有人係隨條 more information，OK， 然後就俾佢 register 學女啊 comment，because 尤其是只請你咩學女 ，because 我就會去學訂讀啊，特別用女手特別去訂讀學女，然後去 register，and then 多誒 only 40個人呢，咁40個人嘅去呢，應該點啊？你有會去多，還是咁樣食 dinner 呢？
我愛去多，特別我都被拍過個我係馬家親戚就愛去啦，特別我唔知我馬會在掉。去到路人去到個 KL 了都對去啊，安尼啫。因為未行路㗎。
行嚟啫。OK。Why parents冇去？ 我 parents 冇去。
你 parents 冇去啊？我想我就是講你聽，你 parents 去，伊個會驚去啦。
我 parents
但是我冇隨睇你，我都冇看到啲 website， 我唔知你放啲 website 了，我巴如看到伊個食到嘅呢，我冇看到伊個去多嘅。
喂，你去penanghokkien.com/tour 看到。
Okay.
But then, but my parents are going lah, so ilang joy 應該是上個，因為是講人做 extra in the evening ilang 買去，所以我係使去買物件對人學人食 ，so that 你 at least ilang 較 compatible 啦，你 mother 加我係 parents 樣。
所以你人別借，然後便坐 bus 去啊。
我人白买一bus kilo，还是你被 halfway join 被使 but 冇呢分呐。你那是特定 KL key，so 嘛是 ，but we can discuss later 啦，我是会再看，because it's I think it's gonna sell out very quick.
So what actually buy G to keep in now?
Oh, yeah, that's perfect then.
tapi 我特別看啦，看我嘛要做蝦米，然後做蝦米。
But anyhow，係那是你，哦，你嘛等那是講買嘅，but anyhow 你啷 discussing 啦，你 discussing，then 你甲我講甲所謂，我甲 Elvin 講，你多 at penanghokkien.com email。
Okay。
如果 discuss 啦，now 個 time 嘅嘛，先所謂 publicly announce 個 actually，in 2 weeks 我把佢 publicly announce，對。But the time don't care the day
bằng đi bằng hạt nhá mà.
Yeah. But 冇人知我冇 announce 嘅，but it's already there.
Slash tour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then so 兩家去看，感謝各位聽眾收聽。我想講，講我特別嘅邊啲禮拜就是走去了秋青加坐電啦，同埋了個按摩啦，了微微娃娃啦，金配啦，毛毛菇，阿
蕉，
地都阿蕉，加英國店。
Bye bye。
感謝各位聽眾。
I got my numbers on the chat.
Chat in 我未看 chat。
係啊，等陣我 send 可以啦。
我未看 chat 嘅，不定啦，慢啦。
英國店等我個 send 好咯。
send 好我安怎？你 send WhatsApp 還是你
？WhatsApp 啦。
哎呀，各位聽眾，歡迎來收聽邊個嘅節目。你頂一個禮拜我講未了呢嚇，所以呢個禮拜我嚟開始就係 OK 另外一節我講未了嘅即個 QQ 嘅話題，所以我就會去聽 QQ 嘅話題當然。各位聽眾咧，當見我哋講嘅變性咧，我隻節話題會講，你講 QQ 講嘅了嘛，咁我就講啦，講嚇，所以我哋第一次去下禮拜，我特別到底嚟聽，我哋講 QQ 嘅話題個較濟，所以我特別到嚟聽，就聽我哋個係咪物件講未了，講個隻字點幾鐘哦，一個禮拜一個 episode 特別點幾鐘啊，特別點咗落嚟 episode 嘅，禮拜到底嚟收聽。OK，當今即是話我，反正我 edit 出去，我係一個，等陣我個一個物件要 edit 一個等陣。Okay, Kampuyu ready 啊喂？wait, where's Kampuyu?
我陪走嘛，了啦嘛下John。
Yeah, but yes. Tapi 我未 OK 你未走啦嚇？
我走啦，感謝tomorrow。OK, bye。
我俾隨到啲Kampuyu叫伊講毛菇嗰個啲哦，有個。
毛菇你講你別叫啊，係咪？你叫即係我哋都會好鬧。
哦呀，伊叫你，那是伊別叫我叫你本。
呀，伊走了嘛。
我叫你叫你，我叫你。
你按照叫我，你叫佢 hang out a message 還是係咪
？number 嚇，我叫the contact 係你 for 你會 where WhatsApp or iMessage? Which one do you prefer?
Through WhatsApp 啦，我有 WhatsApp 開。
Okay. Yes, buddy, you are so cute. Buddy, you're a sweetie pie. Hey, but I don't think I have you. What? Oh.
On WhatsApp 你冇啊？
冇啊。
有啊。
Oh, yeah. At the movies 係點啊？
冇啊。
真係落嚟嘅。Oh, so this is the K. Did you spell with a K, right? Not T. Patrick.
How many lie?
Well, actually, French Patrick is spelled with a T. Patrick.
我唔係聽過 Patrick. Patrick P-A-T-R-I-C-K.
P-R-I-C-T.
Oh. Patrick P-A-T-R-I-C-K. Hold on the spelling. Yeah.
Alright, then I'll get how do I do this? I think I'll do send, share contact, and it is spider. Spider, what spell it? What? Because 我叫 Black Spider，伊名是 Black Spider。
Odidoo 嚇，對啦，Odidoo，OK Black Spider，thank you very much。
伊隻蛋乜嘢？
伊是蛋啊，Damien。
No Lee，not 蛋。
Damien Lee 啊，Damien Lee，tapi 伊個 Damien 唔是 IEN，你知冇是 IAN。
哦，Damian。
啊，Damian。OK。
誒，等我 OK，bye。
OK，bye 啊。
咁配呢？咁配講咪嚟講得冇？咁配講咪嚟？冇乜嗰個調。Hello。Ada baby. Ada baby. Ada kiss. I love you. Kakak so sayang, little Buana. Oh, buddy. You rub so much on. Yeah, about. Mama Google 掉，Mama Google 你咪 mute 掉啊，當game。Oh, I forgot. It's still recording. Crap.